order for Mamema Kwaba and Famra Adom TV. You may cool way so. You may dear Augusto, I wish a incrunchensome. Na me amedi ho chiame ediam jeso ane nita kotego ene de ye betwana montuo bi afa amamre on ye ka amamre se ye wo ba wiase a as you come into this world you grow up being presented with a variety of images and cultures that you will be gradually convinced has been the best image you have to pursue or become. Ye wo ba wiase a ye de emfoni amamre ene akwan hodo ekire se we ene edimu na de akire ebia suban ebia neye ebia kasa se abodini ese se wogie e da to anim na ma men hyase enkire amamre ka potokasa ka culture. How do you define culture? Culture embodies the social behavior. Culture embodies the institutions and the norms or measuring standards of behavior. Yeka culture eye nipakusu se mote baabi musu eka bomu enempo enioma amota eyoka mo bomu ena esusu ye de susu banpa ewo sa nipakunum. These are practices informed by ideas, ways of life, traditions, heritage, values, habits, and tailored social behavior. Ye cancer culture, ye empo nsusuye, ye eda ankrankre etimu a wakabomu a ye empo nipekuo. Ye nipekuo esuba a woso di mu bia wo ye bie. Ena empo wone nhyehyeye eni wosu ni woban eni wotete nsem a wota ye abakwasem a wodi bubra ena empo de sombo ma wo ma wodi akire. Enti wo ba wiase asra ne manyina ekekire de soa waba wo ye Ghana ni waba wo ye Nkrani waba wo ye Framantem ni waba wo Asanteni asantefo amamre ena enkranfo soso ye kusum bona benchon menim se da kana yebe mu ba igbofo soso be wa amamre kro bia ne brono bia ne bebia ate bia wo na amamre na ye wo wa ye tade kyerɛkyerɛ wo ma wo ya ne no na ye wa ye de anya ne abo ne atwewa so enti ento ha so benya do baabie no na nipakuo su ene wo ban ene wo amamre abaye wo amamre nipakuo su ene wo suban ene wo ne ye abaye wo amamre eno nti se wanyini na amamre ekura wo no enya amamre a wodi firi osoro na baaye amamre ekura wo no enya amamre a wa na wahyehye amamre ekura wo no eye wo bi su ne ban ne hwehwemu ne ye na watintim wadwen pro so na oso wa fere no amamre. So many of us are following the cultures of others that we call our social culture. Some of them are Ghanani, and Ghana su and the Bani. Some of them are Kani, some of them are Framantem, some of them are Nkrani. It is saying and Nkran for warrior. And you know correct. Though culture is inbuilt, it shouldn't be static. We must say achira amamre there, but amamre aya ade abetimi asakra mu. Eba no wabusua kyekere eba no nyonko mu eba no wadesua mu eba na adwuma nanso ya na yehwe TV ite radio ye kan papers na there they all justify cultural realities and utilities and artifacts. Eba na media kwa na bro ye papa say when na ekoso na say kwa de aba na say bibi ton high culture we say singer ton we say cooker ton we say standard ton. Say aye amamre a yedi akire na enkam yen e ma yen kwa adwen pro so enwini enkwa akire say mesusu how do I define a new culture away from the social culture that I'm in? Culture and the yedi so awade mu amamre ni peso amamre bi wo a wagye atomu a adane empo ahwesode ya de wu bra na me pese mbisa say wankasa wo a wotie mi ne no wo amamre wo a wotie mi ne no wo amamre e de na betimi de nsasi so akasa we ye me so amamre we ni mi su ni me ban. These are my institutions, these are my values, these are my beliefs that determine how I act in life. As an individual, yes, You must abide by social cultures, but indeed you must define your personal culture. Eba no wa de a amamre be na wankasa watintimu a wode bo amamre ebu obra. Eba no adwuma yo a eba na disua a wode de aye na obi aye bi da bi ena kono ka hunu se onyame ebo se ne se so Bible no say for God made you in his image and likeness and not in the image of any society. Onyame wanhwe nipakuo bi so na de boye. Wanhwe oman bi so na de bowo. Wanhwe kwadwo, wanhwe ama, wanhwe kwabra, wanhwe ni, wanhwe togbi. Ohwe no animu ena oye ose ne seso ene suban. Indeed, even though you have to work to fit into any society, you must always consider your own personal practices in alignment to the society. You must consider your principles. Nenintino obo nipa se ne suban be man wo ba en wo boy ene. Enti ja hane na mada se wo de fide to adom a wo hwe me. Mami ni kan en na nipa ku bi ase a wo bo ame e Thomas e Priscilla e mia menua pani na menua keto akura we be kampadu. Me da mo nyina ase wo production room wo me da camera for ase na mada sound for ase mada nipa bia wo so masene a wo ma adwumade we ba so wo a wo hwe me koso ana hwe Badwam na menya nwie adwumade we wonu nyame entina odofo
Yamwachi biem yasamu akwa Badwam TV Badwam so yada ni ite kotegwu ase nkwanshan sama nenso ode abreye de adu so no eye Badwam kase samno ne yetodwa wo mu bi enie TUC ese bibia daddy fe senyame ya adom no de cheye dia 13 February no eye de ese wanye chire no ebeba so aso ya won hwe sanitation so eba bekokọ infiefie ahodo makohwe mechanized boreholes no won mo ahwe se bibia ye kama na eno ne nsem bi ena no pay mede bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV channel 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTube nso search Adom TV Tube bididi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT se den samni chemu ankasa etie ewode ensentrofo kanse aban no eyi eto a wode ato electricity so free show no organized labor DNT so dogo bi no abe nyame ya adom a de wo mosusu de wo madwene se February busumi ya iwo mu de to so du amiensa obeye ye kire e de eti aban no kian ne kian beba so wode Adom TV kase e di nkomoyi
what they say institution kase to the TUC organized labor so aban enyen listener or they am a BBI official I'm there me tin wo social media do na me them ko for so kaka but me kase CCI aban officially on show krate bi ambre na o che there ja yatsum or no kor another onye no kor so aban na ja tum so pa the carbon day share wa ja tuma today me kan wo press conference ni here that aban bochro officially that be organized labor painful na wa sam na kan no yatsi yaro draw wa ka chi bia no ya ban no I am for one asam but me can see yes and official krate bia ochere da ma de no robado inside the me ma de yan nhihye yaye for 13th of this month no emre demonstration no obabado ntin de ehwa endo obia hyekoko ehwe company bibia akoko record act chere de odaji ye inform police about whatever yaye nhihye ni na
kojo mensa abrampa na manzebo
Oswafo ya wahwe sanitation water resources eso ye mame Frida Prempe osinyame ya doma na wotwe ebesimu no asoye no ene water resources commission wormo beba pro na fei ensu ahodo beba ye fiefie ahodo mu no wormo ahwe ba bi efiri ba no sade etie na wormo ewia wode ho afutuo nso ama wone nsentwefo di nkomo e won kran ene wo kire mu sai asoye no wormo sade se Ghana adehye wo mu ye benya nsupa anomo
na pepi ne ho se titu ye nuanu ma bebre esidan ya no tubo ho owia ebia on connected to Ghana water and a community water na bo ho na no start odaso a oyusu ofie water resources commission mandated say obi otubo ho bia obe register with the resources commission nyenya data on obi otubo ho na afi anamfie mienu bia na ya assessment e ho se adwuma na wo ye no edi mu ana enu achi no boho na watu ofie no wahwe hu se nsuo na won no le nsu papa na obi o hosi bi tu borehole na nsuo na ye nchine ebi ane apart from nchine na other particles manganese na se bibi kura wo ma woni but na say nchine nem nti na won no obi also bi de ye aduane nko a bi de aduane kura na emo nsuo no ma ye din as a ministry no ye dwuma no se ye behwe se nsuo aye no se de wan kasa no watu se de aban na etu ama se de efa wo pipe eye nsu papa wono
osan edito womanfo a womutu boho ema womanfo se womo ehwe se womo beko register ewo Water Resources Commission anyesa asafoi womo de womo beko court
you be registered with the commission be out to boreholes we was said say wan kasa fa sample ni bi e de call testing na the report ban sana weja ho de ama nipa na uko tu borehole ni ma na yes o 2 years so but now the pump is so prosecuted because that's what the law says. You have to be registered with the Water Resources Commission so that we know that whatever you are going to do in somebody's home or in that institution.
Asiye hwe ngumasua so guso yensenkyerene bo homodin bia sebeya ngumasua mu nhyehyɛ bibia no ebeya kono ewo mangana mu nti no wonma ye ne senche wo the Community of Excellence Initiative eba natumi aboa ma be obotaye esi asoye nani so ne oman no yadru ho ewo ngumasua
Tuba Community of Excellence ade yes mu nyina mo nka mom na ngumasua ntumpon enti okro mako school mako ahanso a ye sa adwumadie ewom na akosa school no mu a awofo omo ekue ho afei teacherfo ene head teachers na ohene empanimfo mu nyina akabom ehwe mpuntu a ekoso enti obibi efre 1990 plan ene se enkwala no edu class 4 enso hwa ombeye no esese eduokunu tim di nkunim no mutimi kenkan na afei ohemu abupan eduokunu afei omukọ junior omufi junior high school no mo high school a ye pese ohemu abupan eduokunu so etimi kọ high schools no mko bo modern ho na afei omufi high school so a ohemu abupan eduokunu so etimi kọ ntoaso school.
Dr. Yawoseidu Chum esan so kire nia temamufo betumi aya aboa sa enhyehye foforo a wode ebe
ontitia bia mpanimfo nso beko wantimi anko free senior high school no bia enkachi won so obetimi akọ be no ayo bi isi awie na wokọ wasi na afi watimi akọ anim afi wo mo mpeso mkọ no ku sua kenkan obetimi akọ na one oba etimi akenkan enti eye kwan ye fa so anwumasua benya ne ntuma pa ana obafa ne ntuma pefra preko ape na ma ne pa atumpon we krom free senior high school adaromenti enipa bebrebe ekọ nanso ese make sure say ana say ye share sapo mu nsuo no bia etimi akwanya na okonanim
Jamtinani Dema Public Accounts Committee womrashe beje fiem Dr. James Kluche Aveji ena wodwene se niema bi koso public service no emu obimu yetua wo mokabra wonye ho adwuma na wonum eye MDS no ena yesa bi wo na adwuma no womma onim wafrim enso na akatua guso ekwa adidimu ama oman no yaboka twitwidi na osesa su no ban no enye se wose yesoso so oman ti no or the to head of civil service mpedifo anim so omonhwe na saade no woni ase.
So far it's this on earned salary is becoming a lot. I think that there must be a grand scheme that is going on in the public service. So the head of civil service must be made to get none of this issue, and then we'll find a way to curb it.
Asan so ahye se Northern Regional Director any accountant a wonom eda National Sports Authority ano won kire wonom esan se wosusu se wadi Sports Authority ni sika bebro empem oha ene edusia.
That office is rotten. I mean the authority is rotten. Minister, we are directing that the regional director and the accountant at the region should be picked by the police.
Thank you so much.
They should be picked immediately by the police.
Okay. Chairman, thank you. We'll take action.
The kasa anwechiri ena Roxanne Nelson Dafia Mepo ya waka Public Accounts Committee no ho enso den sem sei etudwa.
So the unearned salary infractions this year is simply nauseating. Because they colluded. Last week we found evidence of collusion. They collude, they validate, they take the money, they pass back, they go and collect and share. So
Adom TV Badwam kase na uguso ehwa ne remo koyen sanfoforo mu na dankra hodo be aduonum mienu 52 edi eja hye no drebe a no ekoso wo aibetan bronu bi wo tema bensin no emu na eye enuadan na eja no etomu a chese omo kire kwan e fa so no ahomete Adom TV etwaso.
My brother went to fill a cylinder, so when he came back, he commanded the cylinder. He's trying to fix the burner, but someone also was using cook pot to cook. So through that, then the fire started. The cylinder get fire, then everything just start from there.
Getting to 7, almost 6:40 more. No fear na menya call na omu yedide. I said my be boy. I happen na me started say me mika baby me won any hase no me mika e ba say me hwe say de me balangasa from kwan no ho no e usa eja na e dere wa hase no enya adeketoa nti e ba no so me ba nsa me frɛ fire service for me frɛ me ba me no nyina fire service nya bedu pepepe ne ba beto eja no so a na nya eja ketoa.
Ebenezer Yenzu public relations officer Emma Odumje adwuma e wota mamantam mu oni ama ne boni atwetwe nkomo a wabɔ manfo nyina akokose omomodin ase nhyehyeye da hono mu wabra wakoto gas na wode won cylinder no esisuo no obidi suo.
We would want to advise the general public that fires are on the rise during this Harmattan season. The humidity level is very, very low, and we want to plead with every citizen to be very wary when you are dealing with sources of heat, be it matches, be it candles, from your gas cylinders, anywhere that heat sources can be produced.
Ibi bright age 90 samanyoko ni dinimu operate ma central em na shebedwa akunya no abra wo ko ebia eja no to hono no obo aban sobo se esine ya no wonye nhyehyeye bi ebebo amamanfo enya baby pa edi wonti ato.
The response from authorities, from the government, has been that these are illegal these are illegal settlements. So they haven't paid them the attention that they deserve. And they've refused to intervene on the issues. I'm glad that today this is not the response. The NADMO director has been at least responded quite promptly.
Social worker, one social warfare. Ministry police station Juma Gloria Samwa Nemra na wode abofra wanya mfie dumie nsa ba mu an din Edeno ite Isaac na ya sakra na yira ne nam tama station potamu ho krakrakrakra sa neja wode no ebedru ha ne ntie Gloria Samwa nsama wode tu ye nimu
Indi Gloria Asamwa me Juma o Ministries police station social warfare as a social worker on the 24th of January. A good Samaritan by name Philomena Ede Akolebi by ho our 13 years boy or the Isaac Noite our Sophie Koyele around Agogo site also on any grandmother net ho ba odwane fi ho ba kra so behwehwe ne papa na ne busuanfo omote ebi titeshi rasta ebi ni papa nso de oni bebi potia ote wa kra bo ne papa kasaye ma ne papa man assurance ombra no ba obehia no bo obeduye no number no the mine the number is not going through, and all effort to trace the family no we've not been able to achieve it. Nti yes stress obi bi oni makole yombo aye na ehu na ebusuafo no na ebusuafo ntimi no go back to school. Team pasho obi bi our information bi abetima contact number 0248455 0248455 and our office is located in the Ministries police station in the Ministries Accra.
Kokromoti power higher election headquarters in Tiamumra Manyon Semo na Yanshe MPP Amanyoko no penny a one more no se one pre one Nashibeja Kunya Emma one word to be a lawyer Antonimia na ene wadi ato one more ne no equa kensia one nimun kunimo no se Brano so so omunyina ka won hu bom fi se kase na pa no de de nim nyame yadoma December bosome ne de to so enso ne hu kwan so obi de menasepo bi hye ne mu na wote ne ho na emu se nka bom adwuma
Kontenkro ana independent parliamentary candidate ewo odoto breed me de minyanse mu no mehunu se a mistake wa waye wadwene bia se obekọ Kontenkro no de wo tuufo no wa ma wa futubone. This is an MPP stronghold. Die timamufo no pe de odoto briefo pe na aba no minim se yina ye beka bom na ye adwuma na ye percentage in terms of abaye to de ma MPP eko power no akosoro asen dada no de ne ye no wa beba Kontenkro bia no eyanim guase na obeje enti no se obi ada so dae se opese oba independent ana Kontenkro a onya efise nim guase na beto no wo beba no enko yie ma odoto brief wo bompaye omusu frɛ nyame na nyame atie omusu frɛ efri edame menda ye to aba bepem enedei osebonkwa over the 200 communities what district imu osebonkwa
Overlord ya wono ewo dabon ye nan ya na Abukari Mahama odi ato NDC Franka tuni Rajon Dramani Mahama enimo se nyame yadom Ghana for the tumi no Emmanuel onhwe se ne wo be bia be ye de bebo man enimu adehye me ma no remfin so eda ene hu bia so mo no se bia na dwumayefo emo ho mode obeyi wo firi wo ede afoforo aba behim na tumi abo na Adom TV etwasoi.
I believe you are not coming to make more money for your family, but to leave a legacy that your children will not only be proud of, but will pave the way for them wherever they may find themselves in future when you are long gone to your maker. In seeking to make this legacy a reality, when you get a nod from Ghanaians, do not shy away from reshuffling your team to get the right ones on board by merit and competence, and lay off even loyalists but misfits who will only churn out mediocrity for your government. This applies especially to your kitchen cabinets because they in reality rule you and the country.
Already signed the 20 Samanyuku no enimu say.
I urge all of us to extend our hospitality, respect and support to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama during his visit to our kingdom. You have no other brother out there besides him. Being on the opposite sides of the political divide does not make you enemies. It rather enriches the politics of the family.
Abrajon Dramani Mahama eyi sansem yi anono ena osi sudua se wono de ne botaye pa ne se asumdue wo maimu no obebo ho ban.
We need a truthful government that will come and lead Ghana out of the mess into which it has been thrown by the Akufo-Addo and Bawumia government. And I'm confident that NDC has the men and women to turn our fortunes around and make Ghana stand back on its feet. I know that your kingdom has many problems, and I wish to state proudly that when we were in office as NDC, whatever we shared of the national cake, we made sure that Dagbon got its
Maminya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na hana bema kwan na no pay media sie yemwe afei na the one krata no ne online stories no ye de to so sima ba mienu miensen mienye nkrato keto ayimra ye ba ye beto so. Meda semi mu akwa babiem na Adom TV Badwam na o hye no ede nyame asepa so amene nso abeto ye na ye benada nti abena na kwabenafo da kai nefa yam to ho usini ama ahwe ase a echidifo no mamo hwe ase mo nsore na munyina enti no ade no obi ade ama ne hu enti ede nyame ase Seven, you are in the spirit this morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Na bia boko.
If I be Romana, I'm a chase and mean to you way. Onim dio ye mawo. Onim dio ye mame. Don't fool yame no nim dio ye. Ah, onim dio ye mame. Yewe. Or don't fool yame no nim dio oye. Mary, then Bay no pay the whole day. And them say, Abatoma come so much the whole day. Asa. It is all now we are supposed to for me to go to gym. And more babu muda because onyame nim de eye ma. Soft kwachi. Also assassin na wato no. Obe develop what?
Amen.
And it's not go bubu sa. Now let me say unim nyame ado ho so that's the problem. More bubu unim nano da me yonko ba ko to sa frame na me call the party no dware pu musa na ju de so o dware pu musa via dware pu musa me say erade unim de ye mame unim de ye mame ti me samo odonfo nyame na onim de ye onim de ye ma eti pu no be so dware bia enya ni branya wo ya work towards it ade e beat here no ye de anibre befra yana muntu ayetu it should be me as I say me
anya me nti
what as I say me na de bia de na fia de ono say eh ofa ho bayi won so bre e baba because nyame nim de eye ma o ene ne bre say ba that's the difference me re mo am cameraman now ti wo unya kwantu abetu bi oh me too now ko ababa Betchakra. Hey, one for no job way. Baby, you compare bra papa bo.
Yes, or bra.
Eh. What is now you do say him because some mebrune wo mining no botai nyina ne say age akwantu re den sachira be bo mabra bom ani fia o man no inwie. And it's not his fault.
Yeah.
You knew. Some mebrune ya fapem 18 to 45. Woni so ade ehu nyina ne se ade wonu free baby a omwo ekokuro fufuro so ansa no motim de nsachira obopa obabrabom ene omabusuom na bre omode a ewu tinikura pa ne se unsa ni hotosofo bi ti se nyame a onim de ma wa obehye wonkura ne de a ene ne wo bukura that's why masamo apamo akacho say the best thing you can do to yourself is not to hate yourself or hate yourself or envy somebody or jealous somebody because nyen your man so e hire nyina na esi kakoko tise shoo
o ni grigri eh
nyen your man e hire nyina be careful ti ano
ni so de no
nyen your man e hire nyina no me nyawa ye so de biribia de be koso ayimusu me nyawa ye biribia de be koso ayimusu ti mesre Meka se yenyina Ghana for and that's so Ghana no nkura hodo bebre ni bi.
Oh yes.
I'm telling you. Say and that's so pa what Ghana nkura hodo bebre.
Ghana na de nyame share too much. Enu akwam na me ntwa no ye story bi em say bongo Korean whatever bia bie training center vocational and business center with machines ni bibia fe me ya na mkacha me say the whole world o manya ba bia te say yenya adoye na obi aba no abesete a bibia maye ba camera either me camera guy ya na kan ya da obi a say maintenance ya de no and so o de yam ko 2 years later na de na say obi etimi establish bibia maye wa maye machine industrial machine ani ade fa we yam fanyansa no numa yenhua bibi mfirim ye bese no ye wi a ye de nsasa be hye ndam mi fam abebo sobo chese nyame de ye we ni papa ba na kwa lock ye because a problem
February the tosunsia we are counting down to Valentine but you are counting down to also building capacity as a human being, improving your life and thinking Ghana is very important. If we start the couple say no nkoroba permanent ejurunum ye nyina ye nkambo e ya sudi ana say ya sede see a dwene Ghana honkodum pempenso a e be fa ntuma pa na odi ide e fra tinsiba wodo to jodo brakata de be betima ma ya hokwan ye de bro quickly no achi maka say and akwa brother I was separate to aso apomudin common to aso na afi yebesa de assembly council aso na empensemu a teacher for bi no suku pomu on atietua ama suku nkoda ne bia ka say on da so tifie we ofo your bad time parent and a guardian. This is one unique opportunity as also to me to adjoin children to see ba in the attempt papa o the fadwin che de bra na mo no so enananom ye ofasenom ye ma ya de hye omo so akam no aba embre na so ase enti omo su ni omo haw na ontini ensan ko suku nko kira de because calendar no entwen omo kwa na eko nti ubaka ho bia you are going the extra mile bra we engage an extra classes teacher at an extra cost and count share ho the enya nkomoketo na edi ni sa no
budgeted
timisremo ti na me ka chem say ye nyina ye political parties are dom wo MPP me wo NDC wo NDC me wo MPP mfumso obi ani ho ba ebasi ye di nkoma afa oman no ho bra ye di amanyo sem ni esi nchen ni aba be di nkomo ni yie se de Ghana benya mfaso na other political parties mo ba number tira koye no ma ye hu se hye ni tu twa nchache a ya ka se de bi ade ensem fata de ebasi se ni wo oman nim de de se hukura ne se ene u kire wadwena oni obi nya adwene isi so a edidi atem nko a and I'll at this point I'll just have to tell the NDC that era Kofi Bentel the GD or Dr. Badwam does not mean that obia or GD no Badwam. So let's stop calling people unnecessary names. Obi or NDC dia papa. Obi or MPP dia enye papa. Obi or MPP dia papa. No be NDC dia eno so nya papa. What country is this? And the sad aspect they say ye nya atweme no abro be careful because ye didi ho atem wi a kwasi adana na sa wo ye party no aton sa afre.
Na no ho ana mo deceive no what ya say.
Akotro sam ya fa me ho.
Na say kitafo no na wo mo cause problem o. Because mpanifo no level na dey motem ho ase ba ye di akire no.
Na wo ye de bebrebe ni nyina no NDC and MPP of power. Wo ase ya na be so. Say ya na wo be so. De bebrebe wa NDC aso age MPP aso no. Didi nkofo atem sese nkofo abrabo ni omudi ni omunyuma no. Say ya na be so. Is that how we build the country? After 65 years and still counting, we cannot come as organized people. And now, yes, and one April to me, both political parties, major concern is how to make money for themselves. And you're fair, and so, say, Nebunu, I won't mind me now. I can't to another doma come so ebro adwene ntiase. And how? And can the papa power and addition on ma. Na this year ni etu kwan obata be na obaka se enye ne ya ujina airport kura na obaka etu kwan a okofa de paba so na nisuo asa so mo enya isa o nsuo na emma na egusu enunu nsuo basa yare nyina no a whole lot of factors omano ya bobrase ebetima ma nsuo akoba bia na ade nti nsuo timi nkoba bia e de na ya kwansidie no oka wo meso ka wo aban ka wo tenye ntro twitwa ne campaign nsem fata. And this is to all the political parties. Ye work mu kakra ba June July na ye sim say twan. E ho na obe hu obi adeja kra de ba to social media. Na ye soso na ye fe. Agro ne nkandi wachi. Nti won ti ase. O maami bi, o ofa bi, o papa bi. We are not saying don't criticize. We can't live without criticisms. Criticize but in accordance with young kasa yesu ni e ban. Had them any o man hin nya adwene. There be National Sports Authority papa ya say yanko chini to me many omo nya adwene that is how we build it. Ofa blaster place ni na wo didi omo nyina tem ni omo ma many omo papa ni omo sewa ade we di omo body be no mai etieno na be ma Black Star no sa ansa kire na open e na be ma na ba na
atem didi na be so
na be na ba na. We've been in this thing for almost 10 years. Ye ba ni abe pray ye ho sa kiki ni akeka nsem sa bram.
Akọ.
Na ekọ.
Eni na watch da.
Asa.
Asa fufu.
Yes, abo Africa Games was then ye omo asankofu ya ba sa abeginem.
Kasasa.
Ye be kasasa. ahankwa no bi be former sports minister na or former dey obi awie obi akọ opposition a me say na ni suade hu for man no fantastic
and nyasa working
and the MPP here opposition time fantastic suggestions input o da sorry call wow Ghana wow how say there's opposition NDC for kakani you be say you be try we you be far we you be blaster for local players come na di ombebo na be say omba power
so better so na asesa serious so let me say leaders now so mu hia total healing
o man nankasa yare ade se ti asese yare na ye wo e pania e din sacha e be bantem sa pania no so no enukredi pania sa pania na pese ye wo no e enukredi ene opepa so be so mo man no because obi adu no de ko nyina se kwamna sante ko me trade minister ko me yire ne me mane na nyina no ba calculate o nyina agumiti o no obenya citizenship o no amugam nyina mo kwa citizen eno a the trade ministry no and it's just an excuse o be say mo fato the trade ministry on there e be magana dwedie ne amanane fo ne local fo no improvement be ba other innovations me nyama semo Debbie nyama semo when you get appointed the only thing your family comes to tell you is enkujeja hu o de ho kono fia ya your gender no de ho kono o na obe hwema ma
money na ho
that's what they tell you anyway that's what they tell you
this a wo kokwa na wo good mindset kura ya political
wow no me papa o pay mo so no omo pre 45 years in civil service and public service no a dime back up no mo siesi o de 24 no
you okay
very very okay nene wowura amanyo semu at age 30 no
a whole community ene dia
maybe kaso ya obere beti mama baba
oh yeah a whole community
we was of mama so a whole community wo kubu a whole community
o ma we munya mo satin penta se bi baby awu ni say ye kwase no tesa bedu yes bi ani
any whole community
kroba kuko community me wo say ye nipa ba ko dia wa ato
I didn't authorize closure of Accra Sports to the minister, like I say, and forgive them. They knew not the power of love. Court tells former minister after son, nephew challenges marriage. I want some.
Yes, I'm obi anhwe ye, and someone ayi kwan ye nwie. Yes, ye nwa.
Ana pena fi according to me. Nipa mo wudi da now. And soon se nkono. Mema kentinka giant to.
Me wana Friday no so sa bia si wo
kentinka pa omo bida form sa
yesre mo ya de eno na ye mistake no December no adi wura jenu ya de afei wo be wiase ye yi ni kakra na ayese blaster no wo yi omo kakra so she ba ko a na ko yi nani be ye na kwabra na afa ho tie bia ni yesre mo epe no wo mu munya careful akese no monto mo bon keto no nsa kese ba mane kwan obi amema ye ho kwan na asomdwe mra na abusuan kodu ba bi obi ye kwai ya da se ye wie da bon krata no ye de si abude mo sem
emo say o doctor mu on kan che say sanko back to nose mark
na say no maka o eno akra o say me boso kakra max no say ye she ewo mu pa cough binom ni ade show max na bo ho ba na no mu nsuo nso mo ko weda no de ye dry pa mo me entra ne anya ne se be boaye ti ye kwai agude mo nsem na fe health tips no sciatica ye ni sa nkomo no na hosepe mamboatma e wo ho nkomodie bi wo ho kwasi de asemidika ebeba pensem mu bebu akwan me no ene bedwam enti koso mo afidie ne na ha ye da se
Samu akwaba kese bi on famra Adom TV so Adom TV so be dwuma die so dia wo kansi wo sempa esa kana no pensu jaw within the Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Al-Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and the medicine kunya kono kwanten koden small do esa kana no pensu bi e wo Ghana agudie ejaw shano so mamse nyuma kono emiensa omabodama omna bom ska dweteme na no peden komo no 18 ja kingdom eba wɔn ɛde nnuro tatashe bɛyɛ sɛ ɛnan ɛna aba yɛdi campaign Kingdom Garlic Bitters and Kingdom Garlic Capsules bɔ mmɔden da wɔn set me ke betia sambo building immune system no ama na pampen yadeɛ bi no betia sambo wɛrɛ bi nim afei yadeɛ bi nso te widi mu so prepare bɔ ama nneɛma tie tutu yɛ de ma ɛno pɔn hɔ a low blood pressure na ɛtetew cholesterol nwa anasɛ sadeɛ so adɔ sɛ twuma aduro sanfiri mu gye mu timi da akɔgye nsanya nkonso ɛna afei nso kwa no o sugar level no stabilize no na ɛboa ɛma nneɛma etia tutu yɛ de ma aduro ne din de Kingdom Garlic Bitters and Kingdom Garlic Capsules nti wanya bitters ni bia memene capsules na betia boa ama wapomodon sem etia gina pintin new Kingdom ginseng power capsules no aduro no air for men only meme aduro no aduro ba ko etimi boma to pan ekonanim esamba na chi ema niam etia ko edema obetimi de aduro agi 2 waist pains and eteto yifi o mental stress na fe produce extra wale power and as energy ebetia boa wo de babo adwuma best don hwe ha na echi na still ogusu gina na so aduro ne din e the new Kingdom ginseng power capsules e meme aduro ema ne toma mema na ebeje ne de emhodwuma na boa masundue so etia samba fie e the tremendous capsules so e so ema ne droni candidiasis white fitter na so di po na che aduro eboa sanfiri wa himfie o se kama ema ho che sa mada bomoden da so sabetia ka tremendous capsules aduro prof Casper boni beka say it works tremendously was that me can betia boa chairman ba na waka so ntua oboa obetua mo ho bomoden da was that me can tremendous capsules bia eno so ebetin aboa Kingdom Home Estate dan papa say boga fo atia bochi ne pedan ato na se enso a ya bere moja ni okrum ha ne pedan ato no Kingdom Home Estate dan papa no na Kingdom Home Estate no quality na fe modern touch me pacho esan affordable modern da sound sabitia commodern bi afi kwan de ko Kingdom Home Estate no da mu se kama bambo ho nsem so ya iri mu pampin se dondo ne ti ene ne to unya ba bi emfanfa eno pa ho electricity nyinam kan ne sengina so standby generators ho we nso ne de omse ba wa modern a ko Kingdom Home Estate ko pedam pa bi to na mwa mane ma 22 ye emfama na wo Kingdom Home Estate a just some few meters drive betia drive no akwa botanical garden sakwani so ade boti force ebe ho Safari Resort ebe ho ana fetete kwashi Memorial Hospital so be ho a apomodon nsem na atoba ha na so te Kingdom Home Estate and Tempaso ombe kwa mietia sa hwe obo manema etia tutu ye de ma ye we cropon right after Elate Junction no unsa be ka Kingdom Home Estate ya hwaboa e ma onsatia kada papa bi ubetia free Kingdom e was 0536149961 0536149961 na one Kingdom ye twetwen komo ye ka Kingdom a omomra ne pa ne se no challenger obi no obetini o madi chimpe e wo mdwumadi a wo so eguso edi no ntimi sew omodin da se one Kingdom ebetimi akona kra na ne hwaboa e ma niama etia tutu ye edi ama we mu ene sponsors amota akira boa eme enano penso yedi awokensi hu sempa esa kanu so etimi ejaw yen sha se entempa so afie fa komo na mrade a na hye ne so ma me se obam ewo eye matches awodo no so etimi san pp mu dia na se eye EPL matches awodwa eno so 18 sa top fam yekum ehwesna hye ne esi ekwa na se na nika sem kese pa eno so 18 sa pm Bedford 4 trance ema match game eno so 18 sa pm o EPL ni no Bedford 4 trance ma Man City betwom ekapole polymian sam te kan ba ko pe ewo Sarkins kese 18 sa to jona afia ntintom ewo Ghana komom dia Ministry of Youth and Sports honorable Yusuf Mustafa ana minister oda ministry na no na oden komo kakra beja na no adamafo be karbonya neba no ana Professor Peter Chumesi Director General of the National Sports Authority odi credo mu edene pa eto stadium nim se ye ka football na sa gudi bia de nya de betia bas na mum se ye bo dance o hwese ne mesi koso se o hwehwe bia Shatawale mu akiri kwan o hwehwe Bim Nations to humbo mu akiri kwan e wona betia se hum eyensu na aba fi no bi nso pepa bia kata ne dofo bia chi a eno so betia bodwa data ho emu se de ebobo pa de tofia kwanya de betia si ene Minister for Youth and Sports honorable Yusuf Mustafa se san komo itin se PP ma ye de credo etumu edema e agudie no one authorize it.
What is the primary purpose of our sports stadia? Sporting activity, religious activity, entertainment. What's the primary purpose of our sporting facilities?
Thank you so much, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, the main purpose of our sporting activities, sporting facilities, is for us to use those facilities to develop talent and also for competitions, whether national or international competitions.
As Minister for Youth and Sports, did you authorize the suspension of sporting activities at our major stadia, the Accra Sports Stadia and Kumasi Sports Stadia, over the festive period, the December period? Did you, as Minister for Youth and Sports, suspend the use of the stadia?
No.
You did not?
No, I did not.
Are you aware that the National Sports Authority, under the direction of the Director General, suspended use of the sports stadia for footballing activities in the middle of the Ghana Premier League?
Yes, I'm aware. And I did call him to ask, and he said and my major concern was on the pitch, because the pitch during that time, even though the National Sports Authority by law is the authority having the powers to manage all the sporting facilities for us and to ensure that they are in good shape. Once we have a major tournament coming, the African Games, and we have also the Premiership ongoing, my major concern is how much are we getting from these social events that we are giving out to these facilities to, whether even if they use it, we're be able to maintain this facility. Is something that I've engaged the Director General that going forward, this should not be done, because at the end of the day, once whatever you get from them, pay the fees and charges that has been approved for the authority to collect, whatever they are going to get from this social.
And see, Honorable Yusuf Mustafa, a Minister for Youth and Sports, and attending council in the Como 18 Santuja, a Public Account Committee, Omutimatu Sade Fred Nafi, Bisibs and the Semphobi, and a Wakaka and Obososa, I want Soma and Como and Sweet Pino. Now, no one see why Huma Lesson in Go Pram MP, Ura Sam George, and so to be the Manet, Director General of the National Sport Authority, Professor Peter Chumesi. Now, Western ACL Coach, Professor Peter Chumesi said there was nothing wrong with say or no at this stadium, no Brunyano. One shata mudi we e stadium wona for Western Mexico so a omobo dwa data ye yi ne hu kwani aba ho a wo de air revenue dia ba ban wanyam fum so bia.
The calculations that we have done with the various events, which have a certain component of it, which we call the pitch insurance cover, is able to restore. It's able to restore. I think if you remember, before we shifted our sporting activities to other stadia, we had made mention of this to all stakeholders, that in December, a particular period will be used for other events which are not sporting. And the revenue for it should be able to recover entirely everything. And if you remember, by January 9th, my minister sent a visitor, inspection team, which was led by Chief Director here. And I think I have all this evidence here to come and check whether we have been able to recover the pitch. And it's fully done.
You still have not answered my question.
It's fully done. The usage of the stadium for other purposes, like, for example, congresses. I think MPP, NDC congresses, they were all held there. They were all held there. Other non-sporting activities occurring in our stadia, it's not new. This is not the first time Professor Chumesi is granting permission for the usage of the facility for other non-sporting. It's done all the time. Even in this independence celebration, we did it in Tamale, we did it in Cape Coast Stadium, we did it in Kumasi Babaya Sports Stadium. We do it. But the question is, are you able to recover it and get back the sporting activity?
And see, Director General of the National Sport Authority, Professor Peter Chumesi, or a biochemist, Okita bears 141 air positions from the Kuala Lumpur this time. But who try new sports, but a Ghana man penny Edna Beshaw, somewhat Emmanuel 18 Queen, no EBD mom, say Huma and this in 4 Belmo Congress or would we need to such a MP before bar, and your monk, Western Mexico, so you may call who do I buy and Sujume Dia Udina. I hold on with the BPM, and it is so no Edema Brunia say, Shatamu, Nibim Nation, Monfeniagro, crowd, Hadia Naba, winning command on also Eddie Edja Kama Pa. Now, yes, I come with you flag bearer, and now the National Democratic Congress, John Dramani Mahama, and so the Kumoha Cretin Saba. Now, the plans, Etienne Sengo, Kuma, Yamyadum, as a mouth for Pijom Kuku, the Tintim Krata, so the Mano, so some man Penibua, Blast Arsenal, a bed doko, a bay fim, a bed the dead, the Subi baby, winning Kuma, John Dramani Mahama, Onosudijai.
We just came from the African Cup of Nations, and we performed abysmally, disastrously. And we performed abysmally because we are not growing our football. We are not, before we used to have the Colts, and every district used to organize its Colts League, and they picked the promising players from there. We used to have the academicals the schools used to play against each other, and we pick the promising players from there before we come to under 17 and then all the other age groups. Unfortunately, all that has collapsed. And so we're going to work with the Football Association to start catching them young from when they are young, so that we can train them and give them to local teams. They will play, get experience before, if they even want to travel abroad, they can travel. But we will build the new Black Stars based on homegrown players, domestic players who have trained together for a long time and work as a team. And then we'll bring the foreign ones to come and blend with them. If you bring only foreign players, they don't play together, they play in their individual teams. And then when it's time for competition, you bring them and come and tell them to play. It won't work. The core of the Black Stars must be made by domestic players who have played together for a long time. We'll keep camping them and they keep practicing together. And then when we are going for a competition, we can bring some of the foreign players to join the domestic players, and you see that we'll have a better team. And so we're going to overhaul Ghana football in collaboration with the Ghana Football Association. And all the football associations from the district up, you are going to be busy, because we'll send you resources so that you can hold football galas in your districts, and you identify the players for us. And when you identify the players, we will give them scholarships, we'll send them to secondary school, we'll watch them as they grow and they play, and eventually they'll end up in the national teams. And so we'll do all this in collaboration with the Ghana Football Association. And then Boko West, you say you've been left out. AstroTurfs have been distributed.
Frank Atufo Edema NDC Amayukono John Dramani Mahama na atene kaso de komo 18 cents bia kwanko betia faso na se koba sempen fotimi eto abademana oba bo magana gudi na tia san koye pa na owie kra no Boko West for so say AstroTurf no se na rada abaya chiche na adom chire nsu ne bia nko ho nti onyame adom na so ba Boko West for ombenya stadium bia bi mada nti mesrew o Boko West na wati san komo na afeni obeye no wati na aboa amadan komo bi oba abeboa amaniema etia tutuye edi amamo mezo su national swam se instruma season 6 dwumedie ne be koso basa nyame adoma kweseda e wo Ghana ha no ba 130 no bia po asori opa mutu bi dia all routes are leading to Silicon House but modern ada so do ni betia sache tesa no hye so no by 3:30 pm na dwumedie na hyase cameras ni sususe twan oba sisi hu kakra na fa duhem kakra gu hu na fa utimi sampa obetrase a o confidence level na tia sa kosoro instruma season 6 dwumedie ne be de we nkwala nkum kita talenta wombeda na di edi a kire wo sa dwumedi kese na se a ebe ni campaign tie kweseda 3:30 pm sharp e wo Silicon House e wo Tesano odu Tesano hye so no ma no bi so bia se hefa na Silicon House wo fefe kwa kwadwo akonya na wetua santansa hwe talenta nkwala ebe display ebe ni ka ebe ni je intimisrew ya na odu ani a kire e instrument season 6 obi abisa so ko hia wo se ye ko instrument season 6 ene betia boa e ma niama etia tutu ye e dia mai kingdom eba e the kingdom e galibites na kingdom gali capsules na ba afa new gen simple capsules so aba na tremendous capsules ye man de won setimi ke betia boa kingdom home estate e da papa kingdom enso de aba ni amanfo to nyasem keto a e wo coupon right after la junction no enche bia nyina de homboko ko gym e ko peda bia to nya sade a wrestling ma esi ekoso eja pare bibiri na kanwirem dia na ewi ene ni betia boa e ma nso nya dankora bia odi uti betia satum game park games e the eagerly anticipated pick one game na tia ba arrive with the bank bomodi ada so do hu betia sa gym wo favorite numbers no wo select from 1 to 36 na odi atwa na utwa 1 Ghana cedis a obedi 26 times to stake no na msra utwa from 1 Ghana till 350 Ghana cedis a wona wo call no star 946 hash star 946 hash now dey twa all networks obeti dey twa o internet no so a gameparkgames.com na odo hwetua sa gym ye ni kan se draw no e ba so no nkron e wa Adom TV so prem to bra bia kata ban so ana e ba so afi 6 pm daily ana sa draw it fesa by TV adwada enkopim kwese da game park games e ma boys e disi kabasa enya sam keto akra ka game park games a o se more mula more power game park games no regulated by the National Authority oni mu firi ngotwe mfa onyim chachadiwa wani betia prunso e betia kokko wa adwene betia sa hyehye kakra wa hwa o ma be wono ana ebia hunsunsanso no ebetua asa kwa afeti omti na nei ye de esa precautions yi esa title dia amount nti oto a na ode adwene kakra etua to we mu ene sponsors etachire bu ama na no penso ye dia wo kensi ho sempa esa ka etmejao e dey the prof ek wala sa good catch back open am gina of course evidence based presentation etmejao nyame adoma na nwumre 10 to 11 ye business nkunya bi inside Côte d'Ivoire anadwo ana ye de eba from 10 to 11 inside Côte d'Ivoire ye course Côte d'Ivoire nada ye bobo ano ye de nkomo no etian sabrane ye cruise from the quarter final stage no ya ko semi finals ye be na nema besi akohwan ana betia pagya bo Sunday gina kunkon mamfansi na wase ema omoni hwe ka kire busuafo na fofo yere oma wo fasefo na nanem ne ukunu ene ompranfo ina se prof de sia na mum boatema e de nkomode de nso etian saba before then no ye sure say health tibet nso horoma ye de bebo na wapomodom sem so agina yie. The act of being a good guest is to now to say good morning.
And then some more Badwam TV Badwam so makacho sana wachi yankoma ye die wo health tips so no sciatica enra dog boni na to fund my nenso ye hwe dia edesa sciatica no ebreye ti ne Dr. Duboaten a wono ye penida endpoint homeopathic clinic na da romanso nti enadwumadi ye de bro dwoda likosi fia da nti nkoma we ya ye di ene yare bia no bra endpoint homeopathic clinic na on show se se kwa de omudi kidney test and so ba be ka ho bra na be check hwe se o kidney no bibia kama ana na prostate no so omgusu obo ho edegro ba na watwe we mu de ye kasafa sciatica ho a edwada yi obi eni nyina ni so kire ya enne ye hwe courses no dog ye mu akwaba ye da se no a wo bo ni nyina tofa bi entu bo ne tofa de besi enne de ye so enne ye hwe courses no
yo me no a ye kan bibia ba sciatica na de enne ye kan se enya ade bi ehu bia ye nerve no be kan se sciatic nerve no ai wo nipa de se ni wo hip efa wonan bunkum ni nifa no eno no se radiate pains ya ene be ka se wonya bibia efe ne se sciatica na how ba ho a sa how no di di makotene ne se be ma wo sa pain ne be ka se wonya bibia efe ne se sciatica the normal this hard ye ne ba no e dos e normal ni bi ni weight omo a obesity so obi a ni weight mo odu bia no e put pressure on the lymphs into modu a bon se modu no bebere no a bon se mudru no ya na ejina enipa de se ne wo top into modu sa na into bon se e pushi a lot of pressure on your limbs na limbs no ba bia e ya wonan ho nyina that e ho no nerve no edi mu akotene pa no e sciatic nerve no into obi a modu bebere no a into hwe enipa modu o ma ye obesity no a betima ka se mu be 80% e wo sciatica tibo se de bia bo so mo de o mo complain say omo nan no msisi eye de ye omo ya den enti eno ne ade ba ko a ye hunu wo hedo do no e ba endpoint no ade ba ko ye hunu pa se e cause sciatica pa no eye omo abo mo duro eno nso nkire se wa wo munye duro no wuntimi nya obi ha na munye dusu no obenya enso na bibi na de sa de na bata omo abo mo duro na timi nya kese pa empe mebire no akwa ma bebire no anyemo a bebire no atimi kokonya sa sciatica because obi wa onyemo a enkra ne bi wo na modu ti won se na ama oba ne so na mo dudu tiasa na e put a lot of pressure on the sciatic nerve no so etimi kofa sa sciatica deba the other etimi di bakase ne so obi wa spinal cord problem omo wo spinal cord you can say spondylosis and say wear and tear of the spinal disc and so obi wo can say degeneration wear and tear no any degeneration let us say o spinal cord no disc no a making out the spinal cord no obu a itime wewe na kase animu ne mia etwi sa no a etwi ma nerves no a wo inside no kana moa eno no bebiri no a no itime kofa ade ye fe ne se sciatica eba obi so okwana ne de no ye obi ha ne spinal cord disc no etimi kafa mo ho etwi fa ho okay eno so etimi de ba eno obi wo so kwa no ye obi e be ka ne se spinal stenosis ya ka spinal stenosis na the spinal cord no eye nerve na wo no bu ana e fe ne say emu no aye narrowed ayeketwa very narrowed pa eno so etimi nya effect e wo bi e be ka ne say wo sciatic nerve no ho a etimi kofa bibia beka na se sciatica ba obi so okana diabetes yade diabetes oh yes yade diabetes yade a say nerves pa enti na boso bi o diabetes ya boso bi o ha na nani bedu me bi na ni so ikusu because bi e say optic nerve no a e connect amani pa adwene na ama enti on say nerves ne bia wo de ye optic nerve no one de ne say ade a wani behunu no se color na ye blue ye green color differentiation no sa optic nerve no communicating with adwene no and a sciatic nerve no so no e communicate nine area no na release information the spinal cord no a push information the adwene no entempe mebere no an yade ba ko a e say sciatic nerve pa no e ye bibia be kan say diabetes no kra so etimi ko fa yade e fe ne say sciatica e ba be so ni pa de enti mo diabetes bibere no an no etimi nya sa condition no
and you know what I may fancy her. No, it's not your better was your better day.
Or can I bear the symptoms or sciatica nibia? A cramben abungs a wooby. Number no so so friend 0244 86 70 68 0244 86 70 68 endpoint clinic number.
That's Sintinya. Me had more chance you better was. Dr. Duboatin and I watch you woman who quite tray and sciatica. More and some on one so any sponsor a endpoint could be part clinic. Theodore Massey, so mobile ye chido chan so yami aduma sabre ya the brain on so TV, the beboy and pa, be did fear among pa tamaklo.
Imu cook in the love kitchen. My food pepper soup no your love chicken. Imu cook in the love kitchen. I mean, my few pepper soup, no, your love chicken. Chef fry, I catch what fry, fancy, nade. At your joe, at all, I'm not a sayade. Most my soul, me more, I hear romance. I don't what in a cool more, I own a man. Me would have put a boy, I met them, me, you know, a nance. Ooh, me to me, bombo, say the fastest, yeah. I don't know what would be tasty. Mercy, Mamma, don't look like a winter, so if people was somebody, I could do now. Walk a senti. Baby, I made him to me. Maka. I mean, baby, I married. Move to me, son, make you move. Just get out with the beat, it's music time. Get out with the beat, it's dancing time. Get out with the beat, it's high lifetime. Oh, it's high lifetime. Just get out with the beat, shine, shine music. Rasta, Rasta, Rasta. I do work evidently. When I'm having many men, so I want to party. Hey. Ooh, yeah. So don't be lazy. Charlie, you must be happy. Enjoy the party. Hey. If it's only by made in Jebio. What's that sister? Not the inside. I feel the bimbina ever. Hey, I'm gonna die. Visit this year in Roma. Oh, you make him mama Nessie. To a first 15, the one by I don't know. Cause here day another badge, first 15, and so another second. To me at 30. I was any part 30 year 12. I already okay. This is your me a bem. It's a kind of cause here day. Na yenye man on your fair. Yada wo for na say supporters will be our sponsors. Yada on must see ye papa. Medi dia fia amankwa tamaklo na enenso nyame adom yenya kingdom for ewo ha wo nro eno mo estate nso to wonu maduro hwe ho yare no na afo apa ba bi panso aduti ato keche kwasi ebo a ewo ha ono ane kasa de ma wo monti kwasi abai yeni nkomo yemu ache papa na bia boko de Dr. Mufa ho ye de de nyame asepa na enwuma nso bibia ekoye nyame adom de nyame ase yentie we na jade chimbi nipa foforo ba ti yenhwe de Kingdom garlic bitters and our capsules tremendous and new ginseng power capsules ye we nipadua na ewia mo che ye fia me adam yentie
yɛmfa yɛma ahwɛfoɔ akwaba yɛne Only Kingdom Herbal Center and a share and they anape Adom TV na Kingdom Herbal Center yeba yenra eya de ba no eye bako and 9 yenru ni ye bako and 9 edin kan Kingdom Garlic Bitters and afin so no Kingdom Garlic Capsules eya ebenada na pbia me ba Adom TV am yimienu wei extra sense ni na ye adwuma bako na de tie ne odofonya Kingdom Garlic Bitters no anase Kingdom Garlic Capsules na wei eboa boost immune system obi wo hono a kakra bi na yade bi aba bebo no odwene ho onte ase ese odi oya sikla na yade ka bibia na yade bibia na yade eni nyina ne se immune system na ye mre nkwambo na asrafo na wo onipadua ni mu no mo ye mre na de bia se osre ni wo hono na se oni akode e bi etuo ni ade a obi atumi bo wura dem hono nanso se unya eye Kingdom Garlic Bitters anase Kingdom Garlic Capsules a we bema asrafo e wo nipadua ni mu ho aye den enti yade bia entumi mebo nwura nipadua ni mu basa se ne be ya wo hono mu a obi onya active bibi kakra bia na yade abono wedro any Kingdom Garlic Bitters na afenso no Kingdom Garlic Capsules na say mamifo ni papafo ni bebre na uto onante kakra na wabre ne da ye nante ahanum 30 minutes o se o yemfo ka da yanka onante kakra exercise nanso no papa no ni sa ahonde no wo fom ontumi nante be 30 minutes da binya de obetumi wedro any Kingdom Garlic Bitters anase Kingdom Garlic Capsules enomi enu
to me ensuo no a
na waje
onom ne topaye no difference wo mu anu no nanso ye
adwuma baako enomi enu we ye adwuma baako nti enkoto we ni we na enomi mmom ese be hawo nti tude to we pe ni nsuo no anase ne topaye no eno na opa na wadi nkan wato ebebo apa ona nte kakra na wabre obi wo ye bibi kakra na wabre say sister fia be ba betena ho be kasa sa obi kasa be 30 minutes obe hye so sa wedro any Kingdom Garlic Bitters any Kingdom Garlic Capsules we eyemo bia na ne garlic eye no edoso pa now esanse untumi enwe garlic santi ene enya fry befu kwan so ye de aye Kingdom Garlic Bitters and afi so Kingdom Garlic Capsules e de ama hono so rheumatism the was arthritis ni nyina unya Kingdom Garlic Bitters anase Kingdom Garlic Capsules a ebeboa so obi wo so wo hono mo a senke eti hono mo a me ne istefie di nkomoi obesori na ne na ye tititi jiso de ne na pempem hono sanansi ache no obi nso wo hono mo a etumi kire ne nsa obi nso oda sorry Christ if you na ne nsa na tititi wan hwe ni ya e di stroke ya de na ebre odofo nde bia me kasa Ghana hanum se wonanti akoba krati sen na obe ya de adafie ebusunya hwe wa abosome ba ko mbe pa ba enti bomodin ya se we benya eye Kingdom Garlic Bitters anase Kingdom Garlic Capsules ebeyi sa na minas ni nyina afiri so emfa ya de bia emma so enti bomodin ya se obenye bi obi nso wo hono manakoma no enya adwuma se ne yesese ye no me se odofo akoma na kita ye nyo ni pedua ye na mini ye akoma no sab koma ni break it down pe we wie ya ba bomodin ya se obenya Kingdom Garlic Bitters edroway Kingdom Garlic Bitters odofo me se hwe ni sanso na Kingdom Garlic Capsules unya ebeboa amu akoma no etumi abo adwuma ye pa anwa na se srade na adore woni pedua ni munti no ema emoja no ntumi mflo enko ma wedro any Kingdom Garlic Bitters any Kingdom Garlic Capsules edini Kingdom Garlic Bitters ne Kingdom Garlic Capsules edro we de bia maninye wedro a obenom entwe ma yade ne mebo wonto honom ansa wasoma wo ba no anase obi se onkoto edro ne bi mbrɛw maninye dada wedro se ne be ya yade bia mpo enya kwan emba ni padua ne mu na ba bebo sanso na Kingdom Herbal Center yede New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules na ba we eye memedre fe no New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules entu ye be ma anapa we bomodin se me no to ya obepebi ato New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules we eye memedre be ma sisi yade wo so unya New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules ni bia ebeboa won se ne mi yi aduro no e de a kire no sei netie na mom no Kingdom Herbal Center yenno ni na ya ne topaye no uyi topaye na de wonom e de ato mu na wonom akọ mu no akoye adwuma wo mu no ya kire ho Kingdom enti anu ni sei netie uyi wei no a ya kire ho Kingdom obekwa baabi akoto bi we de ya yi ni bo ho lebo ne bo ho kama na mom no se topaye no ye ntwere ho Kingdom a enfiri aso ye mesrew to pa ye no yentro ho kingdom a in free aso ye say na tie nti mema de no ena na ise fia me woso mema bi wo ho no mo asisi ya de ene mema na nanse ye adwuma ye yina na akwa tena se se drobeni se dem bibri na akwa tena se ene agina ho nko a ene ye nti no se opamade na obegina ho no ma na se obetena sesa na osisi ye oya no bo modi ase obenya new kingdom ginseng power capsules ebeyi ni na afiri so ama won so wo ho atumi ato se mental stress na wo so a odofo wadru ni new kingdom ginseng power capsules eya na emema no mibu mu ba mote ase nti bo modi ase obenya dro we bi ebeboa se fie yanko ema ni so de so
tremendous
and band ye tremendous capsules wo ema edu ne de so kwabo tremendous capsules edro we eye kama se menu anom ema no nanse me ba hanom na me kwa adanse omudi ni wofi ona me se na me adanse mudi a kire me me ne den munni nkire mo ho kafo na omoto aduro ni bi brɛ no oye be ma ebia ono oba ho kani bi wo honom uhu niema bi wo no ho wani nye ho bo modin ase obetu bi akwache no fa surprise no o de ka chen so dofo no numwaduro we ma me na emum no obehu difference oye oba bi nso wo honom infections na ba ho enka no nya sa na ote o tinke bi wo wase enka no na eni honom a waduro any tremendous capsules oba bi nso wo honom ende se via bosom ya so ya yesi fufuro mi omubu omunsi obeti ya usa kwa kopem se enanson no ebeso waduro any tremendous capsules obi nso wo honom an nsabu no etwitwa sisi unya tremendous capsules a ebe flow kama ama nso ho atumi ato make I say open dodo mu atu bo modin ase odi wani bekyire mu Kimberley Avenue Okanshi Drug Lane Kimberley Avenue Okanshi Drug Lane ohonom ena Kingdom Herbal Center open dodo mu atu ye nnuro ni nyina odi wani kyire mu ansa beke bia na se 0536 149 961 0536 149 961 na only Kingdom Herbal Center eni ensa woso se fia yanko odiemu adam papa nti adam papa yembo so tewu Kingdom Herbal Center ya san ede eye Kingdom Home Real Estate aba essence yemo wanwonde no ye pese unya bebi nso a odi utibeto ya dan no wo eburi e na afensu e kropon na akopiem wo ho no mo a ya dan ne de ya ni se premanfo efi akasa ya toko fence o kama CCTV cameras wo ho no sanso e na electric fence wo ho no bambo mu nsem eden e wo ho pa enkene agina so pampe 247 yedum kene ampo a ye wo standby generator wo ho no modofo ye beso e de amawo eni tubo modi ase oni Kingdom Home Real Estate bedin so ya dan no betumi atua ne kakra o frɛ numbers ya me de ba betu dwe ya ye no bedi ene obeko nhihye no wetua ne kakra abrofo ba ya na se bogafo ba yi bibia ekoso wo ho no ma aboso me no ma send bi na ekọ enti no nso dofo se wo hwe Kingdom Home Real Estate ye kira kwanya ebruni ekropon ye wo na mum no frɛ numbers we 0559 761 144 numbers no cry egu screen so 0559 761 144 we eye Kingdom Home Real Estate yenso ye numbers no no fra e dan bi a prefer dan kra mienu ekopem enson so e be kwa akokire honom na wani beje ho se oni Kingdom Home Real Estate e be din so esanse e japade na nso onya baby e de tiato
mo yada se kwasi nyamisha papa panti Kingdom ena yete won kana duro na opa no wato be fie na opa do tiato nso a fra Kingdom won mo ebeboa onenne madofo bi edi won woda nti eja celebration na ya shase de di kan eye me nurse ba kope happy birthday eye Blaze akom our year CEO da Blaze akom foundation happy birthday Blaze nyame hira nyame nye okese bema chese apomuden hu nsem da na koma so especially emma no ono be wie kekele polyclinic ho ena oye na dwuma ti Blaze nyame hira nyame nye okese kosi se wo be ye kese pa happy birthday nko emfama afi happy birthday sonko emma Madam Frida Entry businesswoman pa CEO awoda Seda Court ewo duman ne Nsakina Ga West mensin mu ho ene wo happy birthday enkoma onyame hirawo nyame nya okese from her husband Jerry Chatromodi ene wo man abusuani nyina amenso metachire enti happy birthday nyame nya okese kosi se obeye kese pa na fe yankasa yendian so the only J ewo MGL Jerry the Justice Bla Jelly happy birthday kwaku mensa nyame nhyira nyame nya okese kosi se obe kese nyame adom ne nhyira nya kese mamu nyina brade nya mu kese pa me ba sese ma mintie nshuma insamra ye ba me next guest are you ready ebeto so
cafe dog my party for us well so life go be jeje oh if you never know what you really want you never go be jeje oh I'm on my way to the top I never fear no one never stop
yada say yamo akwa babiem na wase say wo fidie no da so da Adom TV Badwam na wo hwa seda ye odi apa na ti wa no pay me chia wo me sure say wo da ho a wo hwe yada se pa yentie nkomo we so na muaye apomuden enkomo eye Faith Homeopathic Clinic ene nenso yenya mpanifo e wa ha ye ne won mo ba bedi enkomo last week yeshia nyame adom nenso asade won be kan yensa pato me makwaba na bia boko de doctor bia boko me san fen free wo so na je say ono abode ya wi na bia say dum boko nso
nyame adom
bia koyi
Faith Homeopathic Clinic said the odi kankan no nyame adaroma niema ekoso ewia se menu abade o ye bia na wa yiro ho aye na ofri wa dwen na okra mu nyina aye sebe skade ye beto ntino se o ya ade na se o de akomapa ne adwen pa eno na edo number bia Faith Homeopathic Clinic ye baga na hanom esiane enyuma pa ye di ni ade ntina ma ye ho adanse no akwache ma me could you believe say the last time me call baby na baby am ko no know say me patient bi na eye penny wo ho no na me koduru ho no ekwan a ma yi fa so ma omo je me hwe me ntem no na I was so glad because of obaye no de obehu se be obaye na nka ne ho anto no ana obaye na nka ye de kwan bi so ebu no je ni sika enka all this opportunity no maybe ameso manya because ewiase no benkum dwale nifa na nifa dwale benkum ti bibia wo ye bia no yese o ya ma wonua menye se wo de adwembo ni bi na eye enti no Faith Homeopathic Clinic yenuma penti no ama na me adom adanse no ba na eba obi beka se den ana Faith ye no ya so ye ho ye ayaresabia so ye nam homeopathy kwan so esanyare wa biara eba ye nipadua nim de di kan no oba ho no mu ase de ye ka no ye hwehwe nipadua no akwa anim oba ye musa ye nikan no woni nkomompo ye mawokọ afidie so na yakohwe onipadua nim na afidie na ankasa akyere nipadua no akwa no ohawa abedua nipadua no akwa anim na de eye anika wo mu kra ne se sometimes no ebia nipa be for omunyina the same ombewia ombeba the same complain complain but enura ye de be ma no different because obia ne said the system no esi etie eno na Faith Homeopathic Clinic ye no wo ye ho no wo ba ya re biara ahinta wo nipadua no mu bia no se ye de wo kwa afidie no so obi wo kra obeba no ne condition a wo de beba Faith Homeopathic Clinic no ye nwie ne diagnosis no na niema bia na ahinta na ono ankasa no onim no na adadi me kai se ne ye free medical screening ana ye papa baako ene ne yere ebai na omo baaye na ye screening ye papa no na ye hwe ne system no niema ekoso no ye advice ne bebre ne ye ka chense se wan hwe yi a obetumi enya stroke. And the woman now no ye na ire na one ne bae no na she was doubting because osini kunu de o didi ye o ye bibia ne ade etino how can the man is strong physically no huna bibia nche se wo yare anase bibisa so after the diagnosis no we ye prescribe ndroma ne se nka wonje na onkonom ana wo so obaye entino wamboa ne ho entino de wo ko e kiro beba na enye se ye pese but the ye ka no eye no nwanwa se betumi esi so ye de in 2 months time because oje card ye obey free screen ma oje folder ne ade ye won ye nya call ana the woman no ogina phone so na osu say oni ne kunu ba eye bi na omo ba screening and the doctor told him say wan hwe ye obenya stroke osi ne kunu ko edwuma ana oti so from o hye ne socks at once ne one side echo off otumi nya hwe and yen na yehu e ka kire ni ntino e wo se ohwehwe ye na offering and God being so good ye kire no ye branch e wo Accra no mfra Accra ne ba okoye nyame adom sesei ne ho ato no ntino se oba faith homeopathic clinic enye yare na wo de ba ne nko a se bia osana ye wo osane nko a ebi obi wo awanya stroke ne nko a na ye hwe but ye hwe nipadua ni nyina holistically bibia ekoso wo nipadua ni mu nyina no afidie no da na di ema ye hu enu nti na ewo se yare biara a wo de anante eye chronic disease yare eye kronkro no udi tu anamo na over faith homeopathic clinic yaso ye na yemwa na saa wo haw ni nyina ye ntu ase emfiri wo nipadua nim e bia wo de wo nam ho fi se wo ho odin on time call hospital enti no de onum se bibia nkoso wo nipadua there are so many things ya nyare wa bibra etumi hide wo nipadua nim a etumi take longer period and san wo hu sunsun so wan hwe ya wo hu sunsun so no na a destroy wo nipadua no enyina to obi wo nam ho ye se wo nyare wawu enye se wo nyare no wawu but because na onya symptoms bia no he feels say oh you okay feels say started 2024 there are so many people are omotena say efa pen paper actual resolution for this year near ma wo pese wo ye adan wo pese wo ye nyuma ne ade could you believe say there are so many people are omamfa o mapomoden ho nsem anka saade we nyina ho but eno ne ade a ehia nipa bia say o ma ne hia apomoden ene wo mre eya ade a Nyankopon de ma yen say yemfa niye wa asase so se oni apomode a emre no ntumi mfa anya hwe enu ti na faith ye to yen sa fro se braya so ye na yenye nipadua no mu hwehwemu na yenhwe nyare kora a hide wo nipadua no na yemwa na yentu ase me pa cho ye branches no ye wo Accra eye so tuom ofri Santa Maria ko so tuom a osu betu o Antieku Junction usi Antieku Junction ho no mo a ye de number no betu dwafre number no obeba yaso ye ho no mo oduru Takrade nso a ye wo Anaje police station eye police station no adjacent na Queen of Peace inside oduru police station no a mentra ho gina police station ho no mo adjacent the police station no ofre number no ye de betu dwa na ye befaw na ye de waba yaso ye oduru Kumase nso a ye wo Ahenema Kokoben eye 18 mu ofri Santase kokobia udi osu besi o 18 mu ehon so 18 junction so abon se faith ye signboard si ho no mo opeke numbers na de betu dwa na ofra ye beba befaw Koforidua ye wo Poly Junction ehon so no uduru junction so a oso pe Laundry Manager Road ye do ebeko ho no mo ana bogo so no ye wo American Hotel ehon so no duru ho a faith homeopathic clinic ye adwuma ho dendende bo modia se obetu anamo na waba na yarewa biara ade ahinta woni padua no yemwa na yentu ase na oso ede wo
mo emrana kakra bi menko ramponsa ho na aja amfa yemie
medas yentia ahwefo na ene nyame ase o se sede ye kanu yade ya depa eni kwan se so yade so eno nti obi bia no ubenya sika ubenya japadia bibia eye wapomden ko so wa hoden wo sika na ya na yentan hye ne so se bia yade no ohun se bibi bandi peduamu a de o ye ne se ono ade ne timu tunru a ene ni pedua na emfa eno na sise ne ya kaye kase ye fa bef kwan so esa yade kwan kro yade bia ya eba oso na abe ye ade abetena se onko ubenu madura obi adadu so sa fie bebebe yade ne nko obi o bakra no a abama budada no ba obi okom de beba no na abusua abama bu won nim se enye biem because wata dem sa won timi do obi ba na o be 5 years won hunu abonte da o da dem na no se yade o twen ma ne ye kese woni padua mu a wan hwe ya pains na abefa mu be kese enna eka na abebo nso e de asa ho yade no nso ebedo so enu nti ena yesi obi o wo hwe ya stroke ebo ba ni padua mu obi a ne nsa entititi ne night entititi okwa ne mpaboa wo mpa wo hu ne nani siwa o se asisi fom so obi o ha ne nano ase ni peja omia na atom we nyina o hwe obeko no obi to na omiemia ne nana se no adi akua na omiemia ompeko e fa so ebeko
kakra na mre na so
yes eno nti mesese obi a wanya stroke na no acha mfa mre obi a we diabetic esichi ya dia ba ni pedua mu a ono aka se kro bi tu na enkontem ni pedua no ha gwen onfa omre na mesem de number ni tudwa fa number no free o fa number now free a o de oba enka o yade ye de be hu yade aka che yade no kwa ya hwehwa ho ti obi de ye bia na begu screen so ma hu bi enu nti de ye bia enko hye ba bi na ye nti me sew number ni 0540 71 0940 0540 710940 and now 0244 58 38 59 0244 58 38 59. You best say takrade number no so 0547 57 84 94 0547 57 84 94. Yade bi o wa oju nwatinya eche woni pedua mu a ese woni pedua kwa no na no mu abi ba e oba ese da na nansi atata na fu ache no nim se no honto ne nyame adom ho atimi so rekɔ adwuma obi an menses emayi won se ka se menstrual problem bi o ha ne de na eba pro so wo an de na makra wo ba kakra bi 2 days na atwa ni nyina ba e behwa am because one wie na cha eniem e beba ne bedo so wani e hawa boni fo oposa wani no ni nyina e behwa am yade bia yefe no kumasi santaze animal ko bi 18 takrade amati police station akra hade yo Santa Maria Antikujanshi
nyamisha papa anti faith homeopathic clinic na yete one more enkano na masaman kwanhie esi eno anajo a homachi tanka afura kwatena ayi trotro so radi hu yemobo na video no mede be mam sese ye be mam sese na mom Mamena St. Andrews College of Health for Ase. O hwe mi sabdo wani je nurse adwuma no eho. Pese da ache onso ye nurse ni a. Bra St. Andrews College of Health na one more emma wo entity a. Wetumi de ato so na wetumi aye wo nurse a wo pese wo ye no. For 0546 212 637 0546 212 637 and 0242 863 658. Franco Trading Enterprise phones papa fie ene ho phone bia wo hia bowura Franco benya bi wo ho omo tabletop fridges wo ho air condition aye Franco nankasa de anso benya bi CCTV cameras nso ye wo bi enti bowura Franco nenya bi wo fie ne office ba bia onam bia no utimi monitor de ekoso Franco number ni menko internet ne so nkofa number bia ope Franco Trading Enterprise our number is 0246 422 338 0246 422 338 and 0555939311. Ghana Post adofo ebusumini ene bribia opese wo ye adoye opese ode niema koma wodofo wa amanone ana won kran opese kokumase ekoba bia ma Ghana Post enye delivery ne ma ombe wrap ne kama fefefe e de akonipa na boboa no pe e de amount ba bia Ghana Post be ye de amount UK Europe, US, Australia, South America, Asia, ne African countries, Bia and Ghana have a Bia. Yeah, one WhatsApp number ye 0542 527004 0542 527004 WhatsApp your ma omono obedi nkomo call internet na so Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Ghana Post GH. One more wo homambo atma ye krado de efense ahosepe no etoa so enti ma yentie birthday ai madof ma wie wonu mo de yenhwe wo mo so ene edi wonu birthday aka jeri mo honti Alvina happy birthday nkoma Alvina nyamishraw nyamenye okese kosise obeye kese Alfred owohe enti Alfred ayi yo ti Alfred ba Alvina ene da so no ti nyamishraw oba nyini be yo ba mu anyansafo ate onya okese ahodim mu ni nyansemo happy birthday nko emfa emma Amwa Rita happy birthday nkoma Rita Amwa yami shraw pa oba onya okese ene okoko ne de uginam yami shraw Andrew nyame happy birthday nyame enshraw onya okese kosi se oba kese o ma so mfra domu nkwa adomu oba pa Oba Ella Ella baby nyame shraw ba tuntum nyame nya okese kosi se oba kese pa wate radio adum ni nshira no emu fauso hey oh soldier never dies and away oye immigration ya no montade na ye nti Daniel Frempong officer all correct nyame ma onim die mu dro na fa ye wadwuma fa boban bia wo se nipa enya nyame enhwe wo ne wadwuma so Milo Bray happy birthday enko Emma Milo Nyame show. Nyame no kese. Kuzi so be kese. Milo di enya no picture no. Oh, juju. Kwananum. Nyini be ni patiti wate. Na ye ni pa kese. Ama omo mbre so bibi anya kama nyansa nlore mu nyina mutirim. Na me ma so mfra dum kwa dum mu. Na me no kese. Clement or say from Pong. Aha. Nyamenka ho ate. Ma nyini ye nyansafo. De odo nsa beso bia enye enhira emfa emma. Ti happy birthday nko emma Jerry the Justice. Onso ene ye wawoda. JJ nyamishira. Nyamenyo kese. Kuzi so be kese. Frida Entry. Happy birthday. Ukunu so we so happy birthday. Nyamenyo kese. Kuzi so be kese. Ena mia medofo Blaze akom nyamenyo kese pa happy birthday koma mo. Mambo atima ye krado. Dada de ahosepe etwaso yenko na owi asemidi ka beba na omahene kwabna santen so atwaso yedase.
If we had a new favorite personality no so actually nkomo is no a Fantadon president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. Now Mamanda one ma also mason ma mutu mze Benjamin was a penor brown no Mamanda wana say na me Juango energy drink ma catch desepe energy drink papa the best in towns I know ye Juango vitamins ni nara aye muma into no pebi na we energy na down no for boost energy na say and pay sorry no huna ma yo titiriti huna me nyo kama na epe bibia ebutum na afa na wama very healthy and they feel healthy za na oye 3p garlic mixture pi wakofo na wakafa the medri was a be with your ma garlic nkotin 100% she from bomoze na nyabi face wafa na wonam ye oye wempezi brodo na e da merete do na nyabi anoma bibiara akoye adede ye ya mo pepepe na Valentine's is Joy Prime after to one day. One kasa will be making sure day Valentine's Day by your fine papa and is there being in there I won't on your partner will try picture not watch your baby can crash as simple no say audio crown and one record can be nice far or partner who not for send the number no or 055-157-5757 my son Messi number no to be 055-157-5757 na fa picture no na something na for send one wash your man wash no wasn't no the paza no Val's Day is or Dawodo, a business on coach no bia, and no, what's one woman spa day for 2 candlelight dinner, mpono, and all expense paid romantic getaway, and unique gifts, na trinkets from one sponsors into no Bomazanara. Na Val's Day, most photogenic couple no for Ujim. And I pay me guest star, me and Wahadi no say urban contemporary gospel music. Wajinism wo ho papa what one is they are watapo wo one papa mpono muhwe for how long a why you ma over 10 years into no why has the papa ogino mu pinti me nyoka so da hwara enyum gospel good gospel music ye kan nyum papa yes hono mtane pay me mpeda mese wo mbre kra nkoma mpeda me twetwe no do so pa ntino mokono do ntantam na ya twetwe nkomo kwesi yes sir Akwaba me that's it ya so ya tena asibio yes sir me care the last time it was easy ba ga me ahe na dom ya san ye hye ma hai cafe ba no a na odu Tuesdays dey get na ase na ye nyo ne ye ho na easy na me nyim na new project be yeah new song we release January 2nd this year. Your Love. Maybe maybe ube penyum bia no like Oko House Africa new song. Your Love no. Odonyum. Nyamedo. Okay. Nyamedo. And I thought on say Oka Odonyum na season here we no. Love bring na your personal love, selfish love. And I break there on Valentine's Day, near time was at the Yadun Pado, I was in Kuting. I don't know, to friends, to family. But Yaka, I'm over this side of the. That's I agree. Okay. Yeah. Okay. But I can't Yamedo, Odonya, my said the anti nipa do because nipa do has an expiry date that's all. And
nipa betimi akwa do be ba nyame is constant obehwa obi a wa go through any situation bia o see obi aja ne ho na nyame nko aka nyame nko you know like ite nyum no ehye nyame ni monyam wo odo wo mayen ode boy yen do wo mayen ode hwe so ode boy yen o sa yare o boy ho ban
okay into one I show nyum na
yeah me am
okay before e bo sora ko mama achim to answer my sorry hadi na yakọ but when was the last time you released it you know before the menu
before your love maybe I think 2022 my release and you more like people know me for but all this while I've been busy. I work with an international NGO. I write songs for them internationally. Sometimes we write songs like educate young children, protect young children, like some of those type of music. Don't beat your woman, those type of things. Like good society, social
songs.
Yes.
Or influence society.
Yes. Much of that time, I was working on some of those things. You know, like I've been busy. And yes, it's like because people don't know me for like maybe I may bought gospel at the time, like like I've been busy around the world, like writing songs. I mean, around COVID, I wrote songs for all doctors that came out and saved lives all over Africa. We had over 13 international artists singing it.
Oh, yeah, but you
how can I? White Army. Okay. Oh, YouTube.
My
white army, always there. Make this world a better place. Make this world a better place. My white army. White army, nurses, doctors. Always there. Make this world a better place. Make this world a better place. Oh, me with team I'm in
okay.
And you be on me feel say meet me I intend ma na me am I and you be it's like sometimes but there are some songs me share the like the nature of the song you see that this work requires and I have a team of people that I work with. Yes.
Okay, so I try on for other gospel artists.
Yes.
There were hit songs to be a try maybe no ma.
Me try on Diana Hamilton. Holy Spirit. On the album, I've written songs.
The current album, yeah.
I think all starting now.
Okay.
She's been in the system. Otherwise, maybe I think 2018-19. That album or release here.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I wrote that song.
Come on, a crowd a day, BNB or on my pedal busy. Now, so I had a cafe banoa. Into the method of breakfast, so ever Kawano, Kakwana, now, Ella Kawano, no, not you take one new song, no, your love.
Yeah.
Chris, you're saying you take a crana. One of the biggest songs ever. Me assure that even up to now, one man wearing in. But sing
of course.
Those times the boom one, but sister on my win pa. You should most man first man not win him jizun pa na. You remember this time, I better there. And the one what the impact nana.
Of course. Me music is very impactful. But I mean, like any new song, like sometimes me Sean Crawford they ask me like, you've not that I don't really see you more. About number beside say, and you mean last one been with you know I win. Mean last one been I say no about God they bless me. God they bless me in 2012. I win in 2014. 2017, we recorded an album called Anthems. Anthems has songs like My Defense, I Am Next in Line for a Breakthrough, Great Are You Lord, full of mercy, Great Are You Lord, Every Knee Will Bow, Every Tongue Confess, 2017, I'm a promoter. Even still, I'm still virtually kind of promoting.
No, but as people don't really know.
You see, there was a time where, like, when God blessed me by, it was a new thing.
Okay.
Okay, and you know, that one was a, like, and at that time, social media was not even big.
Okay.
You understand? And then there was a lot of airplays, you know, that were like, like people just love to play it.
Okay.
You know, of course, people have become familiar with Kwesi Oche.
But promotion wise, invest this car into social media promotions, and
of course, we do that. We can do more. Everything better. Of course, music right now is a lot of money.
Exactly.
But Yeguso.
In my I will start another. I mean, if for me, you feel those kind of music, that style, no, I want to push for the my agenda, no. Yes, share projects no over the years. Has this been successful?
It's been successful. Why not? Very successful. Very successful. I mean, on what grounds will that question be whether to see whether it's successful?
Say, in Chelsea, promotion, so how to even get people know you. Then you make big songs before, but they coming from 2000 and maybe 15, 16, 17. Why they shut down me
times of production, okay. Like from 2015, I recorded 2017. Aside the fact that there are so many artists also who do what I do, you know, like there are so many gospel artists, you know, who are blessing people and all of that. And so, I mean, it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's usually like I'm sitting here. That's why I'm sitting here. We're here promoting. We're talking to people to be aware that we have a new song near there. So I mean, eventually things pick up. But I mean, obviously, for like last year, say I wasn't active like musically, and so all that play a role. But when you are releasing music, then your people are getting music to hear.
Okay.
Then you are moving on.
Okay. This is your plan and are there any lessons? If I kind of journey, be a draw from
lessons. Lessons and experiences are cool. Like I know how people think, and we also know how to move.
You know how people think?
Yes.
How do we think?
We like good music,
okay.
And so we'll keep bringing you great music. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Mata say, oh yeah, Kwesi Oche, and I you come more from Cafe Bano. And minimum say GFA contact wa. One phone.
I won't contact him yet. I won't contact him yet.
Okay.
Be trouble.
Maybe I'm being a case no. Na chimde. A pedaya anthem. Emma.
Namo University now. I call first year, second year, I think third year. I was struggling with fees because I was taking care of my fees myself. And so I think at the early start of the year, I realized that school needed an anthem. So I wrote an anthem for the school. And I asked for 4-year scholarship. And so my university was 4-year scholarship.
Okay.
Was through my music. Over the years, if you listen to my music, okay, you see I was telling you about the NGO music I do for I do it for, I mean, you can look out for Meg Foundation. I'm one of their songwriters.
Okay.
Meg Foundation is a multi-billion-dollar corporation. And their foundation is a pharmaceutical, they're into medicine. But their foundation, it's all over Africa, helping, doing humanitarian. I write songs for them.
Okay.
I look at the Black Stars. The easiest thing I can do is to write a song for Black Stars that can motivate the players. Do you understand? I mean, I think that
$100,000.
Yes.
That's a lot of money.
It's not. It's chicken change.
Chicken change.
Yes.
Wow.
It's chicken change.
Okay.
Yes. And people like Black Stars, that's chicken change for Black Stars.
Matters.
It's the client I'm talking to.
Okay.
Client now may catch and say, listen, I can do this thing for you.
But I can't get to my contact one.
Oh no, sir, a public conversation is there. May I said it on Instagram. So I'm would say when you before being in Ghana for yeah, and I'm not insulting anybody. Okay. It's not offensive. I'm saying that I have this capacity. I can do it. If you feel like it's necessary, do you understand? Even I win, I can do tweaks on I win and make it a Black Star song. Too many things.
100,000 US.
It's chicken change.
Was more
Why not?
No, what's my now 14th year call a demonstration and be an
demonstration way.
Oh, Ghana, you call demonstration against GFA. You big sports personalities. I'm for things. Okay, but I like to be on the positive. I think that demonstration will be a person corner is good. It's part of our democracy. It's okay, but I don't like to be part of demonstrations. Okay. I like to be part of conversations. Okay. That we can negotiate. Hold plaques near the end. Fine, but we not. Okay. Yeah, I'd say now before I was sorry, don't know. Now it has a Ghana flag, Nanto. The movement Ghana flag, oh baby,
I mean Ghana. They say Ghana, yeah, representing Ghana. We are for Ghana. We we've only made from 2010 to like 2015. Okay. All my friends we see free Ghana. All that time, I felt a calling on me to be in Ghana. And my presence here has contributed a lot to our development.
Last way to be a pede.
Oh, new song is out, Your Love, and it's in English. Sometimes our people like songs in Chi. And
and yet,
Brofo, you monk on a metro. No, Asafu, Yeho, yes, you madam.
Before I was your love and chorus, no.
Great is your love for me. Okay. Oh, great is your love for me. Oh, great is your love. 1, 2. Oh, let's go.
Great is your love.
Let's go. What's the intro? Take. Oh, 1, 2. Oh.
Mama, Badwam for I say, question new song, not say your
God bless you.
What do? No, one was on stream on all platforms of Famana on your Kakum Kutukum, and you may have Ghana how easy. Until before the apart, one was on that 1 p.m. Little it's no question. That's baby.
I appreciate.
Oh,
I like it.
You can say your love, man.
Oh, great is your love for me. Oh, great is your love for me. February is the best song to sing. God's love is the surest love.
For you.
Sure. Surest love.
Okay,
for all
Mama Crown is in a fancy door. Mama, producers say, what be Kofi Ampejo, producer, Damara, no Obed. No, Ama Bilonzi, producer, Papa Pouts, na Wajigua. What's a Jim Benny, Yami show be brave. You can take question your love.
Asem yidika. Hinna beka. Akwesi insia. Commander 6. Kano seni etie.
Yede akodro buoni die. Ebeka ne seni etie. Yem fere ho ne yen wawa ho. Yem me ni ntra ye ni nton. Sede de obuoni die e ka se ne pedifo so de asopa betie yen. Esansi enti no te ba bia ote no. Ye ya bato so no wagina ne akogina ba bia ne wo no. Memo channel pay. Mede ne yakwesi ensia. Asemi de kabre e na so ye fa na sekese Koma Kingdom Herbal Center. Over the Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsules aba edwaso. Edo tatahwe ne Ebwa sayade to. A boost to immune system. Oze say Ghana Health Service benefit shall say boko say ebe ya yes sam go back and share your nose mask no. And yes a COVID aba. But whether not you experiencing this say especially you work crowd and your papa. And your papa. It is brand bia wunye bibi ebe boost to immune system. Ama hodi aba ne padwuanim. Ne mu ba ko ye Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsules. Eye pa. Esanso na ne srade a wodo free ne padwuanim e de ma. New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules ye mema ne so dia. Mema ne de je 3 points na Black Stars akogu ye mu ase wo Cote d'Ivoire mantimi anyi bia ba no. Ya ni jiedin New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. I don't know. Bema patwa ye bre wompem. O boswa kaskala. Ensi so fama o here New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. Tremendous capsules ye man so dia. E man is say ifionum. Na wo yi white ni nyina de afro. Ya de bi e wo man ase bia no. E prade nyina ase. O member bi e tondo bi akwa se ka bi ato. E to fofo de Kingdom Herbal Center Okaichi Drug Lane. And Krakro Masabra make a friend. 0275 804 064. 0275 804 064. And at 0302 938 153. 0302 938 153. Kingdom or no challenger. Alopamru abedin komo ye to aso de friend nura taxes a wo draw ya ekum ye ne MPP as a political party. Fighting MPP government over some introduction of taxes a would be abba. Man found call a graphic online be na mention ade bi honum. Na alopami akasa kra maboto komo bi a media sana me ba no. Ama boto pa. Me found call graphic online ehwe ade. Check ade or graphic online se see. Na we send your businesses esu no mo ekem about taxes. High taxes have failed Ghana. Stop it. Etiawa. Eno amekene so mesaka. Oman bia bekoso bia no eye to ene ye develop oman no. Samanfo twia to na se sika ne ye ne wo twia no ho adwuma emma taxes no enkoso no from account bebre sa enfa mo baketu bi na ye twia no because say ya specify tax bi agi no kroma bia no edinda so e woni e de kwakoye ba ye no how kese ba ko wo ho ye say ye tu ahodo na ye twia no enye adwuma na empempi e wo say ye no Ekoye faso spendi esika okroma no enye 2016 Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia Kasembi or say high taxes will tax businesses out of business. It was true then. Today too is true. But you can't have fun say failed day and Bawumia Kasem and no. We should just look at sending panel customer as some now can ye as from mine. Or see activities near business. How do we get out of this? How? It's not about to be kaya say we say to me. How do we collectively say back what we say? And this near brese ye ba tax we also. I'm telling you, obey taxes ni be fro bebre be sabeka ho. There's something wrong somewhere. NDC coming to power in 2009. Not taxes somebody jaye abrobu free power in 2016. Then yes had it in 2009. But they spoke against number of taxes I would do na mampenda da kofo e dia ba ho. So the issue is, in your opposition, we see the wrong. But you need to correct the wrong now quite difficult for us. It tells us as some man there's something wrong. And you politicize baby. etine NDC ni beje eto osoro to I'm telling you oba obeyi kakra bi no asa pile up eti sa abaya to adwumako akatwem ya hwemra ye to adwumafo akatwem na hwemra tax awodo take effect tibeto akatwem bi abesa 30% obetwe beka tax awodo na asaba within that same year no e de Canada na hodom no na antumu na abade ma no wasa agene nyina asa afrinche ama kakra na no antumu no wasa sone so kakra enunti na Ghana adwumafo sika enso yen ayese bi ya akohwefo dabi ayese bi kwase ampabra na yebo ba ye makato se wanye smart kakra bi o system bi tiw smartness be breso no krono ne nam Adam kana man for me say Ghana mu be brese bi akromfo in these guys. Yeah, you're corrupt. Because how you are able to survive beyond 3,000 Ghana cedis or Ghana had them no with Enkwadamians and Yaminko ne betimi actually sa same nim. No miracle ne betimi asa de no. So one Kwadamians sa one krojue mu. O wayire. Udo waka akra de akos be kosro mo. Ba fa trotro 3,000 ebusume eso there be Yaminko ne betimi akyerem. Because ya nyesa ye intimi survive. High taxes. E kwamre betimi afa so ma ye nyina as oman because no kro hom ye say from 1992 ya ye mu bi ye hu ye besi ena ye kasem. Bi ni adanse se ye mpanifo no afeli. So how do we collectively come together and say but this is the right way you say it because the echo so down and how the damn kwaku for the mamuno. It's not as if say way back in 2016 no one anymore. But the question is, why is it happening now? It's only too much. At also spoke about your sick and the expenditure. And I should commend the sugar factory. You are spending about $35 million. A such the bottom back will create million free. And a sick gumurem. It is a sick in never bought one in Yanano. Yes, I pay the back into the iron tax. Near is soon a month for the treasure. Yamir watch a metro, company be a man penadaco for presso, cofa by a saber sonnet and mosso, and no qua, I am bassa. A your messic a yebia. It's yen to me a recupintino, near in our tax, near Sadia Maye. How do we manage our finances? It looks as if we are not getting enough qualified finance people to manage our finances. Because so your mind and now your company now to me to $35 million. What do you mean about? What do you mean about? The number of projects are from would have been quite from 92 besi ende aka nwurem ni nyina o ma sika ye bia ensi nyi sika dan ma sade kura enso ye because ekuye fa so ye sika ne ye adwuma no sebi emfa awrewo empedi fotora bia ni edi yawo because be say eti enkosi dabai ni ebenya no right enkosi dabai enkosi dabai eni ti nyina beji atum se afede yeti let's go back to the drawing board ni nya MPP NDC sem no me see asembe ni antena na Kufuor person in opposition. And what are we seeing today? Nankibu kwa ke face na Kufuor no pass on the tax member tie there be na insida ukani akote ama COVID time COVID nye nkwa na chi ye o nye nkwa na chi ye and looking at your competent people to call you car, COVID time, and any man queen moment. No more son, and your prime minister, and a finance minister says almost some drosso. Because they don't have time. If we are sleep at the job, maybe they didn't see. The more COVID, the more we retain people. The more we even create positions for others to balloon our debt. I believe, say, COVID time na mo kan wasem no. Sa mamu na efa nke efa nya na ado dan kwagu fado. Ani amu nwe ho sa. Sa mamu na ya ade a efo. So ba bibia da mu tote ka ya mfa nya na akufado ko be na ka class 1 for na ye dadada emu odin ti ni jade ma no so wentimi anya ni ye kanya se ye time no, but he's supposed to man up to every challenge that comes his way. Mexico UK COVID time. Yes, it's some prime ministers. Or more we resign. Finance ministers call, oh, we are near Galaway. We are near Galaway. Ye mem didn't see. So if you continue to do the same thing the same way, resource papa bay and a fish obenya. Resource papa bay and a fish obenya. O cano be a catch now, and I will pencil some wood, open some, and some moon and the papa ne beba, because nipa ne dorsal. And this has to you need to be quack on your back. I'll see some bring you to get the right person. I say him, and now could not be him. Just a now could not be him. I'm on for bread. I'm telling you. Now, you remember, no crow me say, I'm on for how you make your money. Ete do bro na manfo nya kakra be de tise kro be say o e na Ghana for de o so muni bro nya enso bro nya do wan ma we say no mudi me ka to say ye hwa manfo sikam sane ye hwe mu abrochi na Ghana fa ye bedem. How people make their money in this country, how they are able to survive their salary, ye hwe ma ka mu fa ye bedem do kra ne kan kire ho. Me super fast salary ni bra ni nyina ntase mu sa nkota 3,000 betimi ateku 1 month, but you able to survive it. Enye bi kura sa de to nchen, enye good management, because the economy nankasa no ebeje. And now with the 3,000 Ghana cedis emu 23% because of inflation. And the actual amount you get all the year edumano about 77% or so. Inflation for 23%. And to see 3,000 ekutano and yet 3,000 be. This is the reality. Adia yete asomino no. Yabro. Yabre empenifo umi yese sifom dodo. Umi yese sifom. Debi amke sebi se nya bon na ebo apayo. Se nya bon na mote sro bon wa ebo apayo. Because ade ayenim problem no. In opposition, yenim challenge na how mine no. Why do we come to power to repeat same? Because enya bon wa na ebo apayo. Se Ghana ni de yema no ho nche no edu ba tobra ni ama no bentwa yama no kuruaba. Ghana ni so ya nwinti no ya begi bentwa no kuruaba no akoto aba no. No be a project aban sika na aka nwuram no obi to se bi thinking basa. Enye ma aba na start yenti mentwa so. Enye ma aba na ye nti no mentwa so. No Mexico $35 million egu nwuram esai kwa. Me say sugar bottle baako ye nya fa free commander sugar factory. Ba bisa say bra ye shase ye si commander sugar factory. Any brebe catch the see ye and I see ye, ebesi enne. Ye sugar back free mu. Na $35 million e Google essay ya. Ni a penny for me ya bro. And ye can't then to say be home because I need power the same. Now Black Stars he took quite. Boy, so about Kobo, Sike that's $7 million. Near Kukuru $8.5 billion, and the budget is say they ko. Uka be there be a born a social a year count. Social name ben a Ghana for your free blasters since they want a chance to invest into it. How are we managing our finances? Ayasemo. A dreamer bako 437,000 Ghana cedis. Obiji 2,000 and they expect 2,000 so beside no credit. The 2,000 women and the rent a war. The 2,000 women and utility bills a war. The 2,000 women and transportation war. And no one must be the free. Quickly, my mention what be I'm flying. I'm 5 say 15% VAT or electricity. No say I see a juma. We na keke be abetua. Ejuwa na ka to 20 Ghana. Think I to 24 cities 38 pesos. And I buy him free. A start implementation ye pa. Ni obetua no. 50 Ghana for. Beto 60 Ghana 95 cities. Enti best 10 cities and aba beto so. Auto 100 Ghana 21 cities and aba beto so. Auto 200 43 cities na aba beto so. 500 Ghana 609 Ghana cities and it's what the beko. Over 100 cities. It was smart make catch on. It's a brebi aban beto me for catchim biano. Aban pe kwan bi so. E sajis kan nyine from nche. Yankopon ke nyine ho. Na bi am kaso omo yakanifo a e badwin ye man ho. Enyu ona sebi odi pesame nkuminya. E dufru pe. No office wo no abusuan nko na ye Ghana fo. E di Ghana fo nko buana. Meden de akwesi insi o mahine kwabra sante. Edi pese to quickly happy birthday confirm Dr. Gifty Yebua Cheme of Kolebu Teaching Hospital. We free Mr. and Mrs. Cheme any union mun now say ya wish you all the best. I mean insha doctor. No nyo kese kopim se obeye kese pa. Na se kese biem so confirm Kingdom Herbal Center. One the Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsules, New Kingdom Jensen Power Capsules, and a tremendous capsule best we are selling there out of a frame. 0275 804 064 0275 804 064 and at 0302 938 153 Kingdom Osino Challenger. Oma hine kwabra sante ena beja fortress ni pense mu atwaso.
Yeah, man, yeah, no, normally offer semi domasi. Away and Stroma season 6. Some highlights in the abroad. I'm sure say also why crowd and because so I copy say you be leader for this wonderful and Stroma programmer. A multimedia group through Adom TV, Debre, or Bribiada. Their toss is here in here. And for the weeks ahead of us, no, you are really going to experience something very beautiful and something very, very nice. And you may call also as Monday to Friday, Kingdom Herbal Bitters, and a Kingdom Home Estate. What I saw Kwansunkuso, and an ultimate remedial school, and so Kahon, Sanson, St. Andrew's College of Health. Asin Fusunso Abesoyase or Kwansunku. So yeka Kingdom Home Estate there. So open down crowd a Brie and I say latte close to Latte Junction, a Brie close to a Brie girls. That is the right place for you. Kingdom 4 Kyle say sad and crowd now per crowd. The man down so they say any audio hamun chemu eduno 50% and now 70% at 2 forma. The next 2 years, which are the kakakakra in Sihumbi anyhow. Number from 053 614-9961 and now 030-393-9987. Number Kyle say one capsules for over 20 years. That is the business they've been in. Kingdom Herbal Center. Dodo Kasade Okaishi Drug Lady. Kingdom tremendous capsules no Emma Mouse CC a dimwe we pay yo. Now if you same power na mawa Beman Kasa. Garlic bitters na mawa hodin sonko a boost your immune system. And no chinwa compare additional TTA was St. Andrew's College of Health ascend for o quantity for 2 years no ya certificate no what imagine certificate so e dey pursue adhere sonko in terms of BSc Public Health Nursing. For St. Andrews for 0546212637 and 0242863658 no timino on akasa bio ultimate remedial school so ka say o tron so hempo na se sintoba nso hwe na wa tro no ba community bia na amode mo no anko yisa amfa ma eno nti na mo ka say bribia dana saadi we AC no o de ba wona so na omboa o kwanso kusumekire ultimate remedial school. Number the from us here 0244696911 and 0207891004 now team no ready nkomo. Now twimuni nyina na MC ehya nyina de ani to so se ye wo se sukuu nkwada ne bi ofie ye wo se sukuu nkwada ne bi ofie ye ni ma at the crop potting dia ABI momo ebia ne ehya dan pay attention but ene komo aye bi di no me say o bre wa so ase na o ti de ekoso as a parent, as a guardian, as a citizen of this country, Ebeboa amo who say the next step as see to as on my teacher basa and komobia etisia. One I boa masa and komodi me di mo we pe o Yera Vice Chairman of TUC Legon branch Yera Benjamin in Kumsa. Yera Benjamin Kumsa me now say na person say in Sakao. Sanso na Yenya Bema Emmanuel T. Is it Sronyami? Sranyame. Okay, also your first vice chairman for FUSAC, is that correct? Yes. Yes, University of Ghana, Madam Masese, Mosuma Jibra, Mosuma Bekaisa. Tiafishapa. We have started the world. I mean, some of them are moving to Kevina, about Moody, but Onyamitia Sibiabe. But if I am so Kata, I did Safata says, and I'm in Nabi. It will be a house. I feel quite maybe I made things I'm on Komo and Ami who's and India for you. What really is the problem?
Okay. Well, there, Medawase. I imagine Kwanwe so Echia Teu for Olegon. I imagine Senior Service Station, University of Ghana. Echia Moso. I imagine FUSAC for that's Federation of University of Ghana. Nyama work senior yiko. So now we say the cost no. I me say the cost no your pension asem your free be say tier 2. Before that no na somewhere after before 2010 no na it may be a kasabi yango pon wadom na o pension a o time so na o pension na nka senate for na nka eno mo daily ko pension asem. But from 2010 on, I say labor unions ne aban Ghana for ni aye adwin say. E work can be call pension. Na sika kakra be kokra no e de ma no. Nti na je say aye din because pension di anka uhwema ka pension di anka ye kwa ka ni gemu. But na je say pension na kwa bibi say wo kokra na je say usuru because wo kwa ko o fie. Nti ni e dey tibom ne ka say okay any sadia. Yemfa another pension scheme bra. Na yenhwe se eno no bia be yama be better ma workesa nti it was 2010 ana the new pension act in by that is the new pension that is the act I'm say 7 something ana sa pension no scheme na by no and then my who kwan say worker bia betimi any private fund nti ye dey na tier 2 nti a private fund no let me say somewhere 2010-2016 your public universities no into kwa say strike o musisi na me say BSc pen sa neti 2010-2016 no ebi ba sa na ni aban press wa na yetimi DBB yetimi CC na bedwuma but sisi adwin say yen tramo sa ni mani samba biom because embrana my kwan say my kwan share pension ni kire say busum bia na ba betu sika ba tu sika no so do sika ma farm managers no mo di university sika no na say o call pension na just so nya bi kakari akofi ana sa amra na saka say busum so na ban amfasa sika na ma o sa ban to interest
ewo to twenty ho o twenty ho say want me and need yes because I dance here say o mra yi na agi atu no say ukoti sa mra na e ho asotwe no wo me patro ahen asotwe no wo because ye pension ye tier 2 no anu se net no pension bia say scanner about no say scanner the man now so they come we farm managers to me omudi invest to invest here ehun interest na eba no and na ko pension na unsaka it say aban say bosum bia no tu sika so the man mo interpreters aban 20 man for say scanner ma I was so tia ho interest but they won say aban no omuti sika no mo fanko edu wona say mo first scanner mra so a na just say interest no muntia instead of interest no on me no say every month bia na acquire compound na say mutia compound interest also no pe no mind simple interest no na mind before it was how did you know say sa osika odama farm manager na mo da petra na mo da eva is am say enterprise no petra and mo enterprise but how do you manage to know say aban sika na nko more rep also na your reps or board no so your reps so nti se ska kwa yenim ska sa kwa so mu na sika ne kwa abai ne mamo ade chimu basa na abai ntimi man chirim papa bia nti esa na je se yeso yentimi nya hwe de se ye ba abai kokko ne ma abai se sika se ne wo change one versus kana mbadia and the initial ye se ye betuachia ba me chance se ye be se mo tira ho ye maybe for lack of a better word mo fa ncheme mo yan hwe han busumu yanko sa na afede mo be kasa agin 17 mo be dida na se de o enya sa they want to say ya ka type bia ya ma aban mo twena agin so ya twena agin na maka se meka the last early this year January ye press conference e kan ye ma won one say ye ma won timeline so mo en jiswa you better declare strike and pastel and TV now senya me brother kokobon kwa munya mo ai bia mfira ba nya hwi ya mfi reason being what adomu omu nze mu ntimi nka anamuka mo wejama Ghana for be sema mo kwa what is the reason yeah ntimi hu omu ma reason bia no to be there so odi krata be kokoma aban chiri mu ye obu na aban de krata bia e dia dance se odi anu yi bremo e dia na on krata koma aban ka se kwa ade misika semo fasu de me koma hu jima medina enye papa wanye no antena si ya meti etia na aba hwa mo etia de ne mu ya ni so be ka se mu nkoso ye adwuma ye betua o ma no kwa na hwi emma na de ya se na me bra kan ye senior people are call retirement last year ebri asat na o nya o pension wo mo tie tu o mo sanka omo nya ye no so no na eba 30 instead say omo nya ni lamp sum a odi ya de no na ye tua no kakra enti mini o kasa bebre enya omo sika really acha enti se je na mpasa mo ye I say I declare strike so strike no be o de frontiers you for that strike no and for the fall under strike okay but me chechem I say, yeah, strike, no, says Yano, University of Ghana Senior Staff Association of Public Universities. And that is SSC. And Federation University Senior Staff Association of Ghana. And the whole Ghana. FUSAC. And your Teachers and Educational Workers Union. So the whole Ghana. The whole Ghana. But the whole public universities near one year. It's one try yan chade but yano ya ma adichire ya mo hwe ma adichire very easy and comfortable so system ni no and he says ya say na officer say yan chade say oba legona anka legon park abadista ma ka students aba fufuro ya students do anka won activity but he say say ya tu etia na me say fi bia nko so legon ho say ya cleaner obesiesi environment no enti bola ni ya na ehun adwuma say baby lecture rooms na students akosun ade say lab because most of the activities near research to mo call labs e be library e be offices no ni nia me say such key Adam Oyasa Somebody was university adwuma no e be gina. Somebody say
Yenim sa but
why you know why
but you say we are so yonko down that yeah my yeah Samson abai say pension asem papa na by this time no wait man ka pension asem a tell wait man ka pension asem bi on twa ma how this stage as how ka pension asem in them say there you know ye ntumbre bi aye yeah pension asem ye kra ka say ye macro school go bi o your macro school
universities no public no but most schools no so schools in are closed down.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
You declare a nationwide strike.
When the last time Amunya communication free mu sector minister?
Okay, the last time I share minister somewhere last week. I don't know say assembly by no. You notify labor
employment or education.
Yes, share minister of finance. Yes, share minister of labor and employment and later ne share education. Nti na ye labor commission for ruling ye call labor am friend labor commission say mra na ya asem nti ye cha asem wi na say o say na aban tenase to mo share date ma nti ko share aban ye ko share aban no aban gitum say o de ka ane ka soki o de ka ye de ni problem sisi ya no say na be ya nsa be kese kan hi han but ye no bu so na me say o metima ka se pe bi a cha man tima ka se pe a cha because ye ya dwen say ye de so what jet me said to cardia no BTS Canada can fa bibin to krata so but kwabla o man fa hwe an to krata so je ka to muso okay and no ko
abazamba kushia through labor commission parties is share no there's nothing to the effect even though Abaya promised me say there's nothing to show say Abaya na William said chirma Adam munum de moya na
oh kwamna ka se ni biya ya omo no munim de ya because ya nkasa no yerim de ya pa
ana because only ani braba ho be shia me kwamna santim se da bi ade awo kan me gitum enti no metuaka mesime maokrata bia but mesime tuaka kora ko ide we na wakwa na so wo hwe ni se ozika baba na ba
kora pacho ya nkasa yenkoi say up to now say adwuma na yenkoi because I catch omo say omo kom na biom because and so find the yen to be conga ye member say aban say yenko adwuma na odi beba debi ye de yenye adwuma sa nti ya catch aban say
labor commission dey no moka
say labor commission no say no say ye de ye no ye ntumbre bia ye ntomo so no nka hwa labor commission ka quick no make say illegal but it's almost 3 weeks now there's TV
but what has me ba no school ametuaka no what has that got to do with more pray mo da chisike bia aban bi owo so AMPP aban and then Aswafo be so more acting on. They are not doing it. What has that got to do with me and me Obama problem? What has that got to do with it?
Obano. Sorry, say and then bring Kwalanmu Ebrewom. Senya Okan no apart from Legon Basic School.
Yeah.
Tech Basic School. Any you mat near the Omo schools Omotifi. Enya nkwala no fort but yeso ye adwuma no ese ye dwen ye dachi ye adwuma ye nyina ye dachi na ehia ye enti wotimi nye adwuma a dachi wo pensioner wo bra wo wa hode wo ko pensioner na wo de wo sempe pama na eko se sa eno so ye ha adwen enti nkwala no yenso wo ye dachi me ni wo kame bai me last born na bai because one go school for 2 weeks one go eti ya nyina ehayen but ne de aye pension no esa ban onhwe no to amaye
but who say ban na ni abreso beso tie mu asemiana
Abraham sasu mo ni say dibisa but say aban ni mre na say aban na me say onim de ekoso but say na they got 3 weeks now
3 now you mean sir
yes
and officially mon close to deal
Debbie
Anu kekera mode kaka.
Anu de so man nom de mbeka.
Hey. I just don't want to believe what you're telling me.
You won't believe it, but any reality no. So ya ka chiro mo de e twe omo. And ya twe ya so no.
What is my condition until then?
Not until government pay the money and pay the interest. And that is now we are not going to
interest either. Mexican cry now say interest either.
Kwabra, you see say me kai no say ye de no escape yet my farm managers no. No me scan investment. You say call retirement ah. You say you be papa dey akọ. Na scan ga say mai. Nasa mnazi chese one first number so put interest can not first interest number. Yes na. Polipa no retirement no. Ono na sabi o ko se onko fi onko because untimi nya adwuma 40 years, 30 years na ko do sa pan mfa hwe onko fi. Nti aban de aka.
But there should be an explanation why those monies now I am legitimate monies now. Enco motie to i.e. enterprise. There should be reasons why.
Reason
there. Government is not assigning any reasons for non-payment of that money. But also
reason
why has it become a challenge for government to pay your money into your fund?
Problem is your memoir, me say head cut sa no no mercy IMF visa no mai. Se o scan why did you feel say ban ties can confirm ko. Cannot yes cannot it o sa first can kwa e de kan sika ho. Sa na ehu no. But say e kai no ye de not unto o de sika no mai no.
Okay, so let's have back to but my main kai say you are Pedro na for jo menyo be labor commissioner na on be man chire muni because I know say Bribia Oboko Labor Commission afenu and engaging parties no obi krata bi on dey kon dey nti original so to say anamono nti ase ya adwuma me say krata so bem eme be ka se nti ase adwuma so in this case I don't know why the Labor Commission seems to be quite silent on this matter because all public universities no sukuu say wo nyina na adwuma fo wo nyina no omo ho asem ne yeka no and if you go to we obi offer Lagos see abola aginsem surprisingly within some few seconds. Beyond that, the crown lab ni enko bi nti oba na wono why CSM fifi na wono o si o colleague or co tech or co UMAT as for about so
literally kwayembi
about so complete because those people are put the key to a lot of these places. How one almost at here no and you are telling them say me be come home gym me sika legitimately mrabo ho ban say o de mame no say sika no so crown enko me no be ka say first sika no mame so and so akoye boachi bi din. So we have a problem. If you are a Ghanaian, if you are a citizen, if you are a parent, if you are a guardian, if you are a teacher, you cannot sleep over this. Say, I'm going to candy watch here. The whole task is there. But the moment I remember you watch, you better understand where they are coming from. Because now you don't feel it because you're not in their shoes. If somebody is willing to maybe explain to us from the Labor Commission. It will be very ideal because instead of Mukakawan, it's strange. You got Tracia, you bought I don't see him, and no answer would you call meet you to Mama. How do I go? Maybe you almost know the magnitude of Adia AC on the part of AT Unifusak. They are not seeing it. So, I don't think that they are sitting down for another week or 2 or 3 weeks or 4 weeks or whatever to go. Then also have a Kasebi. It's a combination of all relevant agencies are a part of this happening. Labor, finance, education, and of course, the president should be very worried. Very, very, very worried because some of our offices here and you're money now for and a bit when you're crying, engage extra teachers for extra classes. Sabri we are Ankasa, woman and Casano. Ujawa about frame so a bit more wayward. Not you couldn't cry a person of Saku school, and so I could say for so. It may send paying for say be part of this conversation. We should get a reason why you ain't even fire Sika yet legitimate the DAO, a buyer from this African, a buyer from what. For a fund manager enterprise your payment on the board so adding to that face can call and these things they are very simple to get the explanation. It's a maybe some say are you sure up to this point government has not been able to explain to you say be a IMF maybe a haircut maybe a sick customer to sing or maybe a buffer in this so yes say the music baby now when you have music as soon as I'm to mom for interested get trade yes and I'm running yes a bit 1.5 this kind of conversation, the young also.
Aquabra, I say, die a quay no. No, my so to say, me say, Scassam Wadi. And it was okay. You had any problem. Scassam Wadi now.
Scassam Wadi, the general mantra, which should not be accepted. And they know that.
Yeah, they catch up.
We are to Scassam Wadi. But government business is still ongoing.
But so you catch up, say, there. Says, yeah, no, I say, You can pay the money now. We look at the interest,
I think that is how we have to start talking.
But with that,
interest there, and now
with that, there must be something on paper.
Even with that,
yeah, but the principal. Now you decide how the interest will be paid in Ukraine. There's something on paper. But yes, you couldn't
trust government that over time. That is what government has been doing.
But because yourself from 2000 to 2016, that's my BC. Later, instead of component, it's only a simple interest. You don't want to call pension is at a mini ammonia survey, Omanias Capabia Bank coffee. Into Yemani Sipium. But you see, your person a buying beer or beer, must say. I may say, I'm not taking teachers and workers for granted in terms of a bad pension summer. But instead, we are sending a signal to them, say, Yan Trauma Side in Sipium. Because I don't know, no more movie, no more comment. Scamogeno, a chair the best 50 times. 50 times.
50 times.
And I said, as guys, your Mujiji, politicians, CG.
Momo, maybe, sir.
Ah, Papa, now you might hear, work at retirement. You pay Yahi. Now your cost of Hina de coffee. Indeed, I catch on with young principal when you be more sia, as a monochrono. Indeed, I said a signal. We are born price the other workers should take a clue from us. We should allow them to toy for our pension because yes, also, they own you need at the PPB to be compensation,
okay, so Mamenka will self us all join the conversation 0302 211 701 equity 4 0302 211 701 equity 4. Nonkono, Nebeko Mula, near back, near rapport properly, but be part of the conversation. Also, free on 0302 211 701 equity 4. Jubide Kingdom Herbal and a Kingdom Home Estate for one Adarama and a San Komowe Edebro. Kingdom Home Estate, Makacha says, open down, Cranibi, Ewo, Ebri, and answer latter. No problem at all. On the board, Consul. Sanson as open drew a tremendous capsules and Nasa Kingdom Garlic Bitters and as a new Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules, Libya, and also Fabra. Now, Copiton and more. Tremendous capsules, Nama, Mouse, CC, Edimo, Repayo. Nothing, New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules, no, I hold this from Kukwana Emma as Bema. Kingdom Garlic Bitters, and also a boost to your immune system. From war 053 614 9961 and 030 393 9987. No, what in the Kingdom Herbal for Eddie Kitao. South Namasaka say St. Andrew's College of Health. I send for Su Egusu J Nipa, one of the say 1 million entity a year nursing more. Also, more 2-year healthcare certificate program. Never know what proceed now acquire BSc Public Health Nursing for St. Andrew's for 0546 212 637 and 0242 863 658. Now we're on Akasa. St. Andrew's College of Health, the passion for quality healthcare. Juma. Ultimate remedial schools, it doesn't matter the number of subjects, whether 1, 2, or 3, or 4, or as many as you can think of. Ultimate remedial schools, there be Sanshishe, ono I amboa one bo kwanson koso enti bomodia na fa odihye and as obana brano mecho the of deck ade ba kwese woti ase ne say the environment very serene environment ma wakwanya ma otimi sua de na ko trimu ye na atimi tro so ebo homodin pa o hwe bia wono wa wono Asenfosu campus ni bi o Southern Kan so more campus ni bi o for one was 0244 696911 and I say 020 789 1004. Now, what you know, Eddie Inkita. I tell you much about Ghana Post, so one also the honor. Ghana Post, men cows, one day such a so called bound you media one a specialty to get your number one in you and Papa did said dry fresh and could to drink. One bush meeting the cacao. Say crowds will be out to King Tibiana Batakaribi, Cababu, Paso de Qua, and a break trembino. Then was some Canaya Cana. They need a Ghana Post for the share at Wakwam. Ghana Post parcel EMS service no a very fast, very affordable and very reliable. Baby our mining UK, Europe, USA, Australia, South America, Asia and across Africa. Ghana Post to say the opposite of this one be an come out for be our baby bia we are Fran one I crowd to say obetimi e de Ghana Post. Of course your ultimate choice for spreading love. Every day, every time, anywhere. And omo kai say e ma refi kra say one Ghana Post for bedin kitawo na mahwiabom. One WhatsApp number no ye 0542 527004. And I say call social media handles as well at Ghana Post GH and Facebook also Instagram and Twitter so no we are back to am paying for any mushroom come on and say Mesro say oh sebi and I say bibi chwadwin wo susuye bi so a na quickly wait media back na etimi ajebre akenkan nyina e dia ma number na wo de be free no ye 0302 211 701 equals 4 0302 211 701 equals 4. So as of this morning, what has been the communication as Abamo?
As at now, communication be officially. Last week meeting I omukan say yenko ejuma na on betua no eno ano no. Nti ye twen say nyanya ti say scanner hit your account a ebe ko ejuma. But as at now there aban enka hwe entre.
Aban kaka hwe.
Anka hwe.
Good morning, I come to say. Hello, good morning. Boko there.
Nyamia dum pa.
Good. But you too.
Nana, I'm say adwumayefo atiatia omati. Na me se anka ye hawde. Nanso so se wo hwe sadia abayemu sebe ampis. Omo ko mfie nan pa kesika ekukuru ma onso omo nyinkoti na bonten. Enti aba se teacher nia wono akira de mfire bibiri. Antara wo ampi no kora no, wo be ampi no. Yekukuru sika se ma wa. Ebe de na nya na koma mu ya. Ni etoso mienu hwe se ye nyina enipa. Se yekoto aba na anu ye prepare panyinie. Kritika pampani mfu efe na bonten. Enti aba se adwuma ni ti ho na koma be ne ya. Enti se nkasika nyo man no mu a. Nka ewo ho se ye obi a ho kire no. Eye ampis omo esgrasha enka enye sika bumbi anase ekoto abai yempie sika de say 2 billion 5 billion ye chichema nkurufo dia enka enyina be husa akokire wo na mum sa ne man koso dia onu djuma eni so tiwa na kuma be ne ya o meye djuma site ye o ko fi anfa ke ma no konta hunu na nsie na nipa onu dia ba ampi 4 years o kukuru be 6 billion 7 billion 10 no dia man se jukodi Mum kemu ya nka ya bi nyina ba sirete mpanimfo nya na 20 positions betu o for dia enya nka bebo na nye sa dia mpanimfo o mun ko so nye strike na me da
I wanted to talk about patriotism here, but I'm say we try for so cry. Good morning, I to say. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Badwam.
Patriotic you, your first saying.
You from me upon. Na me dia ne say passage my for the way government no must see no have been papa obi ayedwuma adu ne bless also this come na yasem see any I private in society me no obi ayedwuma 7 years ni what my castinate nti adwuma no contact ni we ya what o jam pa no what say the gas won castinate to castinate 1 year this car can won to ya amadi see me ni boa for bia wo boa me nti ye wo gan ha esisi ni ya doso say the mo kan mo pi mo kwa e cash imagine kataka na mliko na ndi umsu isi apini iti esram sane mana ekoso ne de esa high na government we esa na affect ya via wasi ne tie me no bia ye manfinsie ne wantu am senate aka obo senate fo am bob senate fo am ko be kwa bob mama ne e ba be check ne anche kina na djuma san a ma be fi semestre mo medias ne amonso mo moai na sisi ne dos mai.
Okay, so me da se ya crossover ko formula ba metima fa frɛ for be mienu bi
me ka sa fita fa
takwa yetie o
I am Pochama kwa time 2022 still na me ejuma you match still me your friend me tia to me sankai
Because 2022 end of July, you might up to now.
Now, quite then, almost see can I then.
And for so, on my fellow forms be the choir. What's a farmer done grab for me minimum? You say more forms were more affiliate. No more send it to the almost a farm manager and up to date. You're quite, my case, you're quite almost say the Yama or my forward, almost a stir. You share in him, you are shy after now. That's what you feel.
Since when?
They are first month, none in second.
Okay, so since when? And I was on count here.
20 July, ending of 2022.
Okay.
2022 na me call.
Okay. Okay, me da see the offer ya be wi na fe. Ya baba, offer ya ma che. Offer ya gumo na pom ti say. Oh, offer menti o. Unfortunately, be you film. You better a conversation so when we are back. You could try ho. Na makacho se senya 9 12, and 12 6. Mula game park for Darama. And this is Shiribo, Yakwaba. We are just about wrapping up here. I feel that we're joining any year Benjamin in Kumsa, Vice Chairman Tewu of TUC Legon Branch, Emmanuel T. Srenyame, Vice Chairman Fusak, University of Ghana, and Edwin Kobo. So maybe Emmanuel, Obakatre, the impact, you know, maybe we don't know how Adiana Ekosu to say the city. In your ben or waka, Nipokuben or waka, in all this.
Senior, any name strike any legon quan. Senior kind of tech, UCC, UMAT, UDS, UNE, UHAS, UPSC, University of Environment and Sustainable Development. Public universities in Tewu members, your members were ho, FUSAG members were ho, SSC members were ho, and I was strike. Minu Kasai Gawansu was strike. Impact debris. Talk about basic schools are closely, and no me person me can be brave or but Minu Kasai basic schools no closely. And ya closely ye. And ya union are closest basic schools no. By more ye teachers no wo ho no ye members. It once I declare strike. There's some coffee. Now some coffee one na behwe nkwala no. Obi ani ho nti there's no way down to close the schools. Hospitals. Your members wo ho. Nurses, lab technicians, any workers bebree wo university hospitals your members. Iti omo akofie. Me ni ukasa hospital ye eduma say workers are wo temporary workers, contract workers, any nurses are more rotation, and now student nurses. But your members no more fee. Now say hospital running partially, and there were here implication I debeba. Ofi wa Noguchi Memorial. Noguchi. Institute of Medical Research.
Noguchi there musu say.
Noguchi is one of the leading medical research in Ghana. Apart from Leguam, one were all over the country, our medical research. There were over 300 members. They say Noguchi is relying on temporary and contract staff. Now Noguchi is himself, apart from medical research, Ghana, almost signed international contract. I know the Sikabre or mine. They say running partially. Sanitation and no minka and anopai mifa campus bad na ye students are wohono uhuwa be one washroom cry is in a mess, lecture rooms is in a mess, level 100 for a buy as at now moon colleges here and master impact no de a bebre na say aban behwe etie ebeboa because cost up to this week me hu de beba
but signal na say ebetwa
know there maybe I'm in brass.
So can you won't buy. You won't buy. And it's not kind. Let me say, even security as you can say, security staffs. I can't be. Who call horse now? Who assistants from potency? This is students now getting a mining. Students now getting say mining horse of resident. Until you can just imagine drivers come to car admission office. Just lecture rooms. Just be BR is ground zero or BR close because just make a nipan crown a pension as some. And some go for near affect your more. Your client has a two friend has almost 3,000 members as still members only in West of Ghana. 3,000, almost 3,000. So we have all these numbers at home. You can just imagine the application. So some call baller. As
leaders, moon push here.
Oh, Papa, pushing a BNT as I did when you're but yeah, sometimes started to come once a million. No, Messi, I can't. You see, sometimes these politicians, as I'm saying, they take us for granted, but they should be very, very careful because, Papa, on money there, you share universities, share the contribution of university to this economy for this country. Politicians be on you on one fine university. Women have university. Yeah, so now your university. Naka krasa kakrano di maya. Papa de be. So madam fi ba me chain somewhere last. No ejuma legon no. Oko UK. Ano buy home so Charlie. He said o train wa pension keke. So just brings na go man what wa pension because it means a hono ko pension. Faso benya no. Nto ka se me tell me fra home. See pension there. Kofi ko. Esa ayawra ho. Ebi ejuma 40 years, 42 years. Obekone bibi kete. Boni ben ya yese bi. E be so me yamai. Boni ben. Nti media smusu mo because bibi edu no eya jinsem. Mo mam so mo because say say enkwala mo fi.
So third week we're entering the fourth week next week.
Yes.
And as we speak, any Tuesday signal is clear.
Signal there so far as me because me nya signal is clear but a buying must be also a buying.
So the last signal I buy was Monkola Juma.
Yes. Yeah, but we also made a catch on say me for you no paying catch work as mother.
We should say anka mo principal kakra betum na.
Kakra betum ni akire interest na
principal mo pe kakra ana mo peni nyina.
Peni nyina.
Principal.
Papa.
Na be no nyina.
Oh, obenya because say yes can yati o. Anya say sika no abanye de mai. Anya say this kefi. Abanye se mo.
Ye pe kwa mo fa so amboko. Abanye ya tu sa pa musika na nko. Mo principal no abanye so o chemu no tua afa mo nyi.
Masa would you have fun kind of a bed? One him say, well, election.
I don't know, couldn't come much address. He said, you should take care of trench position.
But it will be painted, so I can say, we paint here. So at the age now, I can say, by July, come retirement. This year, July, come retirement. Go for come here 2 years, almost like almost a guy. Not July, so could be.
It's all come, July, don't come.
Just say, I must say. Inti asamna about let me say. Aniashi nti ma
abaya principal na fi onfa hihye ngu krata so nto mama na
ani dia entimi nche abaya na nkasa say ekaten so on komra but the person you the chance sika na yaji any interest nti do ba no table so che tables na be boy members na fine members in there papa anya bi documentary and there if you need there because ejuma no ukwa akwa dey ukwa akosu anaso ukwa akwa dey mo
really see, that is the position most taking.
Yes, because this is the position we should take. This is the position, yeah. And go from Guam. Why
is our patriotism? Where is the love for the country?
Oh, the love is there. That's why. The love is there. But love in one can you 40 years, it be 42 years, it be say. Love is there. We are ready to work. We are ready to work.
That's what I'm saying, but you're not working. Patriotism, yeah.
Patriotism is
about my who here. Ghana, my, you want out my own.
Now we answer now we do that.
Now do that too.
What is that? Now we do that. It is a Ghana money. You know,
it's a we do that.
Also that you here. Also that you here.
Yeah, ni cocoa farm or baby out. University none a cocoa farm. Ain't no say a cocoa farm no. Yent me nya baby every ho enko that day.
Okay, more rapport, more can be sector ministers in president and Kasamo appeal. Now, if you won't come in check Ghana for because Ghana for come at the gym.
Yeah, the back can say, Assam Naban, let me say, some case here. Now, you catch the minister buying in and call for say, I'm find this assembly serious. Let me say, baby, I shall no. Let me say, I cliff your check. Yes, so you say, Bako, 10th of the room. Now, Ghana for so. Monfa ni abane nkasa sabana na dwin say on feel bia and dey ade dey no man nkasa na be boyfriend because the school nkola I school monfa bank to school say sabi officer ko security man ko bon ho bank ra no onye adwuma na bibi obe wash no ko anya adwuma esa na say na ye dey nkola no so life ya we nti ebe catch your mind ni na media force mo so mommo because asem ya say no anya asem a ebi ana mo dey enafem ya asem kese pa asemwe no so musumu dem hudim na yema ba so to say the course no me workers bre so university workers no yeah bre pa yeah bre
I see
debate makaro no
me da say me dey asida bema Adom management say mo invite at least mo tie yesu FNSO me dey asida bema union leaders national any local leaders na workers any workers are ma order so mo call strike or mo tie yen e dey asida mamu na America ni say mamu pa ba kra sky ye benya ska no wo ho say ye ni ho a e wo ho ye president kan kire ye bi say sika no wo ho enti ye nim say wo ho enti ye trafie na e den a ye san beka parents are more you my free basic schools near the adeno. Mr. Moa, man can say strike no tea, we you ba. What do you know, baby? I wouldn't know, Colonel. Only problem I will more to mobile. On the side back. Okay. Madam Wasi.
Well, so Madam Pay for us, Benjamin and saying, and Madam Wasi, fantastic job. The only thing I made about 2 more years I buy Mr. Ma Asimwinyo Asimia attach agency to this conversation. It's very important because omo base in Nkwano. Who was so destabilize one kasa one and an is uncle for we say would you say agoro. It's an appeal to the Finance Ministry, Labour Commission, the Employment Ministry, and the Jubilee House, i.e. the President and the Vice and the Chief of Staff. Or from
so far it's okay. Yeah, I mean, no.
I'm surprised that she's not calling at this point. Maybe she'll be calling because it's too late. So, Madam, I say, so it's a Wednesday. We are still in the month of love. Continue to show love this month and beyond. When you mention the show, why not do my wish? Bye.